the test Silver Crown sound. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sound boy, the sound it I go get showdown. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The tired pictures around the back, kill them on the front page. Hey, hey, the tired pictures around the back, kill them on the front page.
See me, I never know me. I want me from Johnny Dream. Silver Crown and your song is not the same kind of sound. You say go slow, time after time. We kill a sound every time. If you lost second look, you'll find me. Silver Crown every time, time after time. Silver Crown every time. Hey, flashback now.
Hey, Silver Crown smoke the chronic and murder a sound. Oh, yes. Silver Crown smoke the chronic and murder every drum and sound. Silver Crown murder drum and sound and meditate. All right. So in all our killings, our rewards will be great. So why won't you leave the Silver Crown sound alone? Can't you see that we're protected by the Father on His throne? He'll never allow you to trample us down. Silver Crown, they my murder in a dance hall. Yes, we could be kill a sound. Hey, Silver Crown sound I play. Alright, Silver Crown sound, a murderer. Silver Crown is here. Yes, we come for murder sound. Run them out of town, 'cause we're the best, yes. I got above the rest, don't lose no contest now. When you test Silver Crown, we murder your sound. And let me tell ya, jump and sound around them out, beat them like a pan. In the Silver Crown, we arrange some jump and slide.
Silver Crown,
pour the house in this clash tonight.
oh, now that you are here with us, Silver Crown, I go rule tonight. We're gonna make a sound boy lose their life. I wanna hear the Silver Crown play. Now that the dance is right, Silver Crown, they're not a pranky fall.
No, usually the day before you read this session, a Silver Crown on the border, boom boom sound. Usually the day before you read this session, a Silver Crown on this place. Listen this, when I was a little stereo, hey, I used to hear some champion, what do you hear me say? And then I always wonder,
Silver Crown champion.
Come stepping at them fears. Sorry, more. I'm so sorry for you. Should I never tried to fuck with the Silver Crown crew? How are you? Everyone, say what? Sound boy, oh yes. Silver Crown come to execute you. Did you mean to tell me you this sound and get your life locked off on what? Sound boy, oh yeah. How are you trying to do? Did you mean to tell me you this sound?
Listen, sound boy, don't you ever feel the streets? That's where you keep your meal, boy. So don't you put up your pride, 'cause you're not gonna lose your pride now. Put your shoulders to the wheel. Oh, you sound boy can't eat now. Oh, come on, brother man, come give you sound a little feeling. The 9 6, grab your box and run. A Silver Crown sound come to show us sound down. Back up your Twitter and run. La 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 la, a la la la, and I'm a sing. Back up your card and run. Hey, ready, when you ready, yes, we show us sound down.
The man who sound constant, my phone sound is big and stand for dominance.
La 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 la, oh, tell me so, man. Say after you walk.
Sound like a dead. Silver Crown kill them. Yes. Now you're on your way to the cemetery. But the silver crown, now you bury them, bury. We are gonna murder them, kill them, or you could test this a sound. Fool sound. Just dead out to town. On my way up to see the valley. I didn't take bush, but me have good tally. Hey, come and give me sound, I deal with folly. We kill them, pack them up and just bury them, bury. We are gonna murder them, kill them. Silver crown, murder them. So we can't take the jump on them.
Little boy,
Can't
how
take-
could you do this? Yes. I wonder what your fans gon' say to you. Oh, I seriously hope they're gonna tell you the truth. Now, oh, they tell you that tonight you'll be chastised. Challenging Silver Crown is so unwise. Oh, Silver Crown play the sweetest, yes. Them other song they are weakest. Yo, let me tell you a little something. Little boy, you'll amount up to nothing, no. Silver Crown play the sweetest. Them other song they are weakest. Now let me tell you a little something.
Champions, I don't want some. That's what I'm saying. Sound boy. Scott done too bad. Walking up and down with your 16 over your back, you must be mad. Hey, you too bad for our purpose. Them say anything, but Silver Crown I tell them, trigger too bad. Walking up and down with him 16 over in back, they must be mad. Hey, them too bad for our purpose. Them say anything, papa, for you want to first.
This is Silver Crown to play. Chiggers, cop done. You don't know this original June vibe some of the time and do this time I say. Let us kill those sounds, sound boy, you're dead. Where you come from? Ay. No. Silver Crown, a bad sound, the people them love it. That's what they say, yeah. Silver Crown can jump on the people them want it. No sound down test it. This is the Silver Crown, he come on the scene. Come on the scene as a killing machine. The sound boy trying to lose them life. Silver Crown up here with no sound boy spy singing. Silver Crown, a bad sound, the people them love it. That's what they say, yeah. Gene Tune and Jagan, they say that they want it. No sound down test it. They said the Silver Crown is one of a kind. Sorry sound boy, you have the wrong sound in mind. Silver Crown a rule on the rest here behind. Silver Crown can jump and sound.
The Silver Crown, you're number one in this clash tonight. A deep sound up to move away, yeah. A deep sound up to move away, yeah. Silver Crown a play, no way. Silver Crown a play, no way. In this one dance tonight, a open sound up to move away, yeah.
Oh yes, can I sound this? Them too persistent, so them die. Here is the reason why we not give up the fight. We kill your chump and for life. See them now, them go down and in distress. You should make Silver Crown know your weakness. See them now, your bird become the ABS. Should make we know. Them too persistent, so them die. Here is the reason why we not give up the fight. We kill our chump and for life. See them now, them down and in
right now some
distress.
sound boy mind up clean. We'll kill them.
Oh gosh, them bad mind, Silver Crown, and only could try, them try. Whoa, Silver Crown, oh we so strong and so mighty. So many times they try to exploit we, but them a go tired for see Silver Crown. We come in like a Bob Marley, Lord, and through the love of life and sovereignty, Silver Crown a ruling destiny. As soon as sound boy could have never steal our joy or take our victory. Silver Crown coming from the darkest night into the blackest light to slew Pharisees and scribes. From the darkest night into the blackest light to slew some old band sounds. From the darkest night into the blackest light to slew Pharisees and scribes.
In a real life, Silver Crown a running place. Real killer song.
Sound boy head a boss where silver crown where the gun there. Kill from Sunday to Sunday. Trigger tell her jump and fear run way, cause anytime we gun rise up better go bust. Silver crown around the place, every sound get disgrace in a real life, in a real life. When silver crown a play, jump and I get erased in a real life, in a real life. A cap a shot in your face, if a pussy you got tears in a real life, in a real life. Who said silver crown?
Kill plenty man, silver crown can set. I see them run, see them run, see them run. Trigger, say when we bust we gun, we gun, we gun. Scotland, I see them run, see them run, see them run. Silver crown, when we bust we gun, we gun. Silver crown, guess what? That one your name bloodstain. Pussy wall this week up a fall like rain. Cardiac arrest a lot the honest to your brain. And rap the way with you some sound.
Oh, yo, alright, yo. 1 2 1 2 audio check 1 2. Alright. See there. Wanna say good morning to each and every individual inside the building. Welcome to King Fargo Entertainment, the medical team called Maccabees Meets Biltmore. Big respect to all the sound them on the check-in. Mr. the Kosmik Movement them from early. See Stir Sonic crew in high place. Big up Father Roger Sonic himself. See, big up the Earth Ruler family, Mr. Lee Major. Father Puma LP Sound inside the house. The Yared Sound, the King Fargo Sound. See, every sound at check-in. So we're gonna kick it off. Every sound is in the house tonight. You're gonna be musically entertained by two musical eras under one roof. So you don't know the thing set up. See? We're gonna make each sound burn a 15-15. Make the sound them check in. And then look more from this. Anything is possible. So right now, I bring to you fresh out of the Bushwick, the Brooklyn sound that has been around the sound globally, around the galaxy. But we know them as the Kosmik Movements in the first 15-15.
Kosmik! Representing, I'm say Kosmik.
Kosmik Movement.
Yo, Kosmik Movement.
I'm gonna say, yo, Kosmik Movement. No, yo, Jerry, without fear, no, man.
Yo, Kosmik Movement.
I know Kosmik Movement. Kosmik Movements.
Kosmik Movement.
Boy, Kosmik Movement.
Kosmik, them fin Kosmik Movement, yeah.
Kosmik Movement. I know over the years we show of us improvement.
Break the mind sound, Kosmik Movement, don't play with sound, man.
Hey, yo, check this out. This is DJ Khaled. Big up Kosmik Movement Sound. One time for Brooklyn. BK. There's sounds and there's the Kosmik Movement. Any sound test, sound dead, done, finished. Hey, yo, Kosmik Movement. Hit him with another one.
Yo. Mic check 1. Yo. Big up King Fargo upon a dance, you know, I swear. When them dance in Brooklyn need from long time, you understand? Big up our patrons of dance hall. Then at the place from Shirley. Hold on there.
Pardon the interruption. I want the item get the musical order for the night, and then we keep the ball a roll. You understand? So Kosmik Movements will be burning the first 15 in the check-in, followed by the Stereosonic Sound, followed by Yared Sound, followed by the Earth Ruler Sound, followed by King Fargo, and then the LP International. Zine, first 15 check-in, that is the order, see? So Dean, are you sure?
Big up breakfast to all Poison Art family, you understand? Problem Sean, all Kilimanjaro family, Stormforce, Slouchy likewise, see? Don't know the first 15, we're not in Auckland, you know, because the party I want them party away. 2 generations and Brooklyn intervene in one space, you understand? But New York, we lost a legend. I mean, I peep on the internet and me hear some bag of talk about a legend where we just lost and who have the legend and who can't play the legend. But Kosmik Movement is a young sound born in the Maccabees era. And you see me and Dean and Johnny Killer, we no fuck around when it come to that sound. Yeah. Father Easy, big up your damn self. Spend some of Father Easy money.
Kosmik night, we come together cause the feeling right. Kosmik night.
Yeah, now it is.
Blessed love.
This
is the legendary Jimmy Cliff.
Toby and Easy.
New York. See the powers of the sound. Engineer. You see when song powerful? You see when song powerful? Chris Cross, I want to go up yourself, dog. Jado, Chris Cross. Sound crispy. Come on, one time in the 90s, that some backers start fling, don't it? Lord Jimmy Cliff. Lord Jimmy Cliff. This next combination I'm going to play in New York. Kosmik alone. Because tonight I'm not going to prove when a sound, you know. I play my sound steady and easy tonight. Me, Dean and Johnny Kill up on the ground, you know. This is voice courtesy. The one John Out and Tony Tough in a combination. Press play, killer.
Kosmik Movement run things about your man. This is not a special, this is a sample, right? Man like John Out, the veteran and Tony Tough.
Father Puma!
I come from murder sound. Yes, we are tough man, I mean, and I'm there. And I'm
take out the beers!
Alongside Tony Tough saying
Kosmik represents some Maccabees era, don't it? New York!
Kosmik sound is like wildfire.
Clarity again, man, give me again, man.
Spreading all over the dance. Kosmik sound is like wildfire. Burning down a cardboard sound.
You're doing it up.
So come Kosmik and make we kill some jump and come Kosmik Movement make we teach them lesson. Come Kosmik Movement make we kill some jump and from the Kosmik Movement come we kill some jump.
Rolling.
Now ain't it good to know that after so long, yes, it's a time for Kosmik Movements International to play, yes. Kosmik Movements. Now ain't it good to know.
New York. Kosmik Movement busting at the Maccabees era. At the era that busts a sound, yeah. The era that busts a sound, yeah. But that's it tonight.
You hear that? I got his skin bone first. Selector gonna run out of motion.
Think of everybody knows your real Kosmik Movement from them time there. Cause one time this is the only sound in New York we are whole up New York. In a 2013, 2014. Yo, Bojo!
A Kosmik sound I play. Sound I go dead now. Kosmik Movement come up. A soundclash time again. Sound I go dead now. Whole Kosmik Movement. Rise up Kosmik Movement.
Level. People, when you hear Kosmik Movements, them used to say Kosmik Movements represent for Bob Marley Pitney them though. Been there, done that. Who are the next artists where everybody in a Brooklyn know Kosmik Movement for? Now Barrington Levy, we can play some different bumbo class song tonight. Song!
Yes! They can kill you. They can kill you.
Fargo, you dance like a nice. You're different.
Oh, no. Deep in the clash, Kosmik sound is clear.
Bumbo class.
Dubs, they only treat.
Holy Emmanuel like King Selassie, I Joe. Are the powers, man. Are the powers. Are the powers. Yeah, that's that. Don't know support the bar, don't be a scumming, you understand the program go. You understand. Food and soakers can't drink by empty belly, you know that guy morning, don't it? You have some soup in the place and food to support the bar and to support the event, you understand? You understand? Ready again, killer? You ready?
We're starting with this, the plate. I always see some sound again.
Take out the beers.
Trying to test our sound.
leave it. Well on there.
Kosmik lift the metal, cause this one is special. This is the Kosmik style. Them talk about them a shock, but I yap, them a yap. Them a cost themselves disgrace. Them select to crying, crying and crying.
What
Kosmik style, Kosmik style.
Rolling.
Enough pint and leave it in the box. So sound, watch what you say.
Rolling. Now play some different Barton and leave it. Bump like there's some boy. When that's some boy.
Kosmik have the handle, sound boy, and you hold the blade. Kosmik don't fray. We kill sound night and day. Kosmik don't fray no sound. We've got the handle, sound boy.
Take on the bass, crisscross.
Yeah.
Rolling.
Slip, you will slide.
Play some exclusive Barton leave. I'm gonna play where everybody's soul play now. That's what the Kosmik Movement is different than the Maccabees era. Give me one different Barton leave, Johnny.
Them can't talk to it. Watch out. So so stay night and day, no so play.
This is tonight, this is some of them boy.
Some sound coming at the dance with them ignorance, but Kosmik sound was dominant. Them coming at the dance with them back and talk, but right now Kosmik gon' lock them off. Them are the student, we are the teacher. So right now you better follow the procedure. Hey Kosmik,
take on the bass.
Of the capital of kingdom.
Yo, New York!
Don't you test the Kosmik sound. Kosmik will kill you plenty, sound boy. See the young girls, Kosmik are where we want to go. Kosmik sound, how where we want to go. Kosmik sound, not go murder them.
That next artist I'm gonna play. Represent that one studio. All who rate the great one, Johnny Osborne.
People, brother, here we go on, man. Are the powers, man. Are the powers. Are the powers. Are the powers. The powers, man. Support the bar, man. See, Maccabees meet Biltmore. You understand something? Go. What if a bad sound on the program, man? Don't know it already, you know. You understand? All the thing are going on the bill, man. You understand? You want to try to control it on the side, huh? Where's the next side? Eh? Try it on the next side. Yeah, here one. No, man, on the crisscross machine, man. You understand? Water drop on the laptop, so you know it got computer thing already. We are work with it, you understand? You dig? And a crisscross machine, we don't have this crisscross, man. No way. No joke. You understand? Yeah, man, the Maccabees era versus, you know what I mean, not the verses, but you know the thing already, right?
Take it away. Whoa, na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Let's go to the one, the great one. Late one, Frankie Paul.
Kosmik Movement called the brigade, and now the sound is burning.
What a beast the crisscross, study on the
Kosmik called the brigade, and now the sound is dying, dying. Kosmik just called the brigade, and now the sound is burning. Well, yo, Kosmik called the brigade.
Kosmik Movement's are the number one genre.
Study up!
Ain't no sound can move me, and ain't no sound can groove me like Kosmik do. Kosmik do, Kosmik do.
Lord knows. This are the Maccabees. Meet Biltmore. Anything can go on, you know. We're gonna bring it back to the long time side. Anything can go on.
Worries,
New York!
Kosmik Movement. Worries and problem. Kosmik Movement, murder sound boy tonight. No matter how some sound about can a bite. We said them most of the life. Worries and problems.
Represent the Western Muslim New York.
Kosmik a mash up jump and sound. Setting the dance so free. Kosmik.
Take on the bass, Chris Cross.
Everything say.
I look on my TV one day, on the internet. I see them give Jackie or 9 more. All who love and respect Jackie up, and I see some early signal on the ear now from early man. Jackie!
In this western region, we see some somewhere down here. And I figure through some jump on. We not take no difference.
Voila there!
In this western region, yeah.
Big up King Fargo. That dance at the D that New York, King Fargo. That dance at the D. Yes, tonight.
Like how no fussing and no fighting no one.
Who there?
A Kosmik in the long. Like how no looting and no shooting no one. A Kosmik can keep them calm. Because me love
people that Sonia. Some people like that Sonia, some people don't like it. I give fucking 0. That Sonia been over the world.
All over. Who them a worry about Kosmik, Kosmik no worry about them. If them challenge the sound, we ready to kill somebody. Who them a worry about Kosmik, Kosmik no worry about them. If them challenge the sound, we ready to kill.
Take out the bass.
Number 1
people. That dancer coming like some scrimmage bomb buckle out match. Can't league match this. We are gonna shoot, them are gonna shoot. Them are gonna shoot, we are gonna shoot. Johnny with them pussy. Yo. Red face, the horse with the most. Horse with the most. Not play too much, you know that. You see it, my G. Poison that. Up and gunny from them time to them time. You understand? Bumbleclot. So here we are going, man. In the Maccabees era, you have holy person. You understand? Kosmik was one of them. King Fargo was one of them. You understand? Yared was one of them. That's why I see them sound and represent for the Maccabees era, because that era there, bust enough for them sound here, and put enough for them sound here to the world. But when Kosmik come forward upon the road, them they know Kosmik for a set of artists. And we are trying to go away from that something for me and Johnny start play that sound here. Because whole heap of sound upon that, whole heap of song upon that sound here, you understand? Just not 1 and 2 songs. See? But you see tonight, we, Medina and Johnny Killer, I got sport some song round that sound here.
Now greetings to the world voice of the one called Big Gangzilla alongside Steve Ragamuffin Marley. Kosmik Sound, you know? Ooh-wee!
Lion!
Now me?
Kosmik Sound, Lion are the sound.
Yes,
easy, well easy. Smart.
This is a cut out bass, this is the AI. It got the bass crisscross!
Hey.
Yo. Stereosonic. Red face, my broke G.
See it there? Culture Palace. Kosmik Movements on the first 15 check-in car. And them sound help the foundation of the Maccabees scene. And when we say Maccabees, we have to big up Father Natchin at the players scene. Big up Father Specs anyway in there. Because you see them 2 youth there. And them did see the vision. When the vision wind that die out. And them man they turn up the fire. And set it back to the world. So big up Father Natchin at the players. Big up Mr. Specs anyway in there. And Maccabees we are say. But you don't know, it's Maccabees meets Biltmore. And for those of you who have never been to Biltmore, you can't say Biltmore without say
Sonic.
Oh. Big up Father Roger and I players. Roger Sonic with my respect, scene. Cause that sound here, and one of the sound them we put Biltmore to the world. So right now, and I give to you the Stereosonic sound with a youth like King Blaze, first 15, check in.
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the international sound like the Stereosonic sound with Frank Hansel, Paul the old Goggle in style.
Everybody get ready. Come to the rock steady. It's Stereosonic time again. Why then boy, keep on moving.
Yo.
And keep on grooving.
Stereosonic run the dance on the style again. Hear him sing now, run, come.
Stereosonic,
we're there.
Stereosonic, come again.
Stereosonic got check in, you know the vibes. Ready?
Make a song for me. Run away, boy.
You see tonight?
You could turn a little sparrow and try to fly away tomorrow. Stereosonic gonna get you with his little boy.
On the first 15, I introduce myself nice and easy.
No, never get away. Hey, look it.
Tell him.
Why you up at any song, boy? In a note of the era.
Stalker sensimania, burning in the dance hall. Yeah,
Maccabees.
Era the chalice. Stereosonic killer with them. Stand up, boy. Yeah.
When you say Biltmore, you say that sound, yeah.
Stand up, boy.
Tell them.
Jump and sound, put your scratch it over sight. Stereosonic make you run and hide. How long will it?
One Roger Sonic, one King Blaze, one Jungle.
There's a fire burning down.
One Bevan.
Running up.
One E-Man.
Fire, fire.
You know what we do on the sound, yeah?
Keep the fire blazing, why? Stereo, keep the fire blazing, why?
You little whippersnapper
Jungle
boy.
Here's the Metro.
Maccabees.
You wanna test the Stereosonic?
Here's Mr. Minor.
We're gonna give you a dub plate to make you pass.
You can't say boom, you not play them tune tonight, you mad?
Stereosonic.
You mad?
Gotta give thanks to the Father.
You see every time I touch road.
Yes, but I try to live my life in the best way I can. Listen to Stereosonic sound. Oh yes, woo woo, and I try.
Level. You cannot say Biltmore without mentioning certain things. Big up Jungle, we set the foundation. Big up Father Metro, big up Roger for having a vision. But one thing, any sound we feel says Stereosonic can't kill a sound, I must have dream them a blood clot dream. Can you see tonight? You see tonight?
Stereosonic, Stereosonic, it's you.
Brooklyn with them. Anybody read Bounty Killer? Give me an early sting in you, some gun finger in you.
Wicked man like Roger.
Early Bounty.
Man boat can people in a bungle. Ain't gonna fumble. Bum dynamite just take people life, yeah.
You see if a boy call me sound name tonight in ya?
It's a country in on the brawling daylight.
Tell them!
Why you go dead? Tell them no killing no argument. Tell me come to kill the rough and no take statement.
Adam is scary. Things that I see, I live it every time.
When you say keep put on, you say stereo.
I believe it.
No! Tell them!
We sing, how long them think them are gonna with them evilous mind and them corrupted hearts. Long them think them are gonna and I say one thunderbolt. Our whole city lost. Sonic, I'm like the rain where I go a shop them out. I'm like the sun from make Babylon start.
1 in a million.
Still it's honest. Tell them.
Made by this sound alone. Made by Stereosonic alone. From the uptown area. Flashing on the roots and call.
Let me tell you one thing about that sound here. Are the baddest Guyanese sound. You know where we represent?
Alone. From the Guyanese area. Flashing on the roots and culture. This sound is a starcher. Whoa Lord, and we play it much sweeter. Oh yeah, Stereosonic in my starcher. Whoa Lord, and we rub it up nicer.
Early Sizzler.
In my sound at all. Stereosonic sound boy I fall.
All who feel say them bad.
Jump and say them big and bold, but Stereosonic must out them out. Team as if they never know. Say them running dance all them dead like dog. Whoa whoa, no. Even though them big and bold, and Stereosonic have the control. Team as if they never know.
Let me say we represent the Biltmore tonight.
Shoot out them now.
Certain artists have a playing at the dance here tonight.
It is. Yeah. Who knows you we can't talk, but to see better Sonic. We see machine till the nozzle one way. You could have in a wheelchair. Your life dog is pure. This is what
early terror.
We say, who knows we can't talk, but to see better Sonic. We see machine till the nozzle one way. You could have in a wheelchair. Your life dog is pure.
Let me say early 15, so I burn up some song quick and fast.
Ooh,
Stereo Sonic is trouble now. Pure trouble. Lava.
We come on now, some song.
Sound boy, what you play? Mine how you oppose. Stereo waiting to explode. Watch your step where you push your toes. Stereo is a heavy load. Temptation wanna push you on the line. Never play blind. Amount of sound to kill is more than 99.
New York, you see that sound, yeah?
Might be next in line, oh. Murder. Them boy done a real. They was on the governor battlefield, yeah. I listen last year the first. Watch out.
Say that them a run the place and I done the place. Put them out the place, yeah. Them can't come run the place, or them for done the place. They was on the governor the place, yeah.
Don't hide him, give him up.
Me ain't already me a bones just like more. But let me play it stereosonic way. Cause you see that sound here tonight?
One thing, remember this? Oh, critics don't leave I alone. So them can't take the fire, stereo put power on. Critics don't leave I alone. Stereosonic sound alone. No afraid to kill a sound, wow. Critics don't leave.
No disrespect to Kosmik, but you see when that sound you play, the laptop now cut off. Sound of a BAT in the air.
Yeah, them wonder how it is.
Tell them.
Stereosonic is a sweet sound. They so relaxing, yeah. Yes, it were more to me than the passing red light. Hey, from the first time I hear Stereosonic play, got me hypnotized.
Yo, man, I lie. 15 minutes too short, but we have to make it count. Big up Tennis Sizzler fan in our building right now.
Silent killer. Stereosonic.
Anybody rate Sizzler in the building tonight? Hey man, are you an artist? Ready?
Jump on sound them a toy. Stereosonic kill them out with the Allah. Yeah, I say. Big bad Stereosonic sound. Yeah. What am I talking about?
What earlies?
Well, give it up your little drum and sound. Stereosonic come for murder them jump on anyway. You go on like say yeah, you a run it down. Kill them down, never go further west. Stereosonic self. Give it
level. Like me say tonight we are gonna feature my sound. Big up King Fargo for the opportunity. Because you see, enough people don't know that sound here is well capable and fully loaded a tune. So you see 2026. Roger said we are step out and show New York what I want with that sound. Yeah, listen.
That's right.
New York.
Freedom for some I am Bali. Babylon you pull the chains from me and we still under your Babylon system. Oh Jajanana. Freedom. For some I am Bali.
I don't know you're a bad man right now. Show me some signal. And the dance we work with tonight. Listen, people.
Alright, Stereosonic say we not go walk you walk, cause when you walk on the road of corruption you walk out. We not go talk you talk, cause when you talk it not come from your heart, no. We not go sing you sing, cause when you sing you never hear the king, no.
All who man a bad man right now, no sing.
Stereosonic no say them not true. Stereosonic never cherish no round. Like you know him man, I want to them. We're not gonna over and I wanna deal with demon.
Wanna give you some care pattern tonight.
One more thing again. Stereosonic. Naked as the day we ban. Never gonna over their man. Bam. Tell them we not pray man. We burn up every demon. I'm gonna tell them something. A Stereosonic. Sound invasion. Some boy correct the place the man say over what we look like. No sound no left up at the station. How with them here boat says Stereosonic fire can't out. Sound invasion.
Level. All who face it tonight is a competition, them wrong. Cause Jano is a very simple thing. In a New York, enough bad sound. Some people feel like they must come and dance and prove themselves. One thing we know in here, it's a very simple dance tonight. Love and unity between the Biltmore side. Because when you say LP, Stereosonic are one family. When you say Earth Ruler, Stereosonic, LP are one family. And one thing we know in here tonight, people, listen.
Stereosonic now go friend them. I'm not a King Blaze, but it's a silent killer. I'm not skinny hype. I'm not platinum, I'm not top strike. I'm not venom. I'm not Brooklyn, New Jersey. I'm not Ghana, I'm not London. I'm not the king of fire. Oh, let the word of thy mouth and the meditation of thy heart be acceptable in just sight.
Yo!
Stereosonic.
You see tonight?
We sing. Music is a mission, not a competition. I'm not Jersey, I'm not Ghana, I'm not London. King of fire. Well done. Watch out. Who see it no live when I say who talk dead. There was Sonic no go night, go eat fish and bread. But we all go a funeral, go shoot up the dead. You hear me? Man of him gun.
Red face, me no time short. But more thief, one last rhythm and burn it off fast. Big up to all the ganja man in the building. Me smell some ganja. But just imagine people. Nowadays they must say them want ban ganja in a dance of Brooklyn. Never could you do that. When you said ganja, Brooklyn a ganja man place.
Jersey, Guyana, London,
New York a ganja man place.
Shotman, King Blaze, K-Man, all real ganja man.
Tell them.
Until them find a way for destroy the absurd.
Can't stop Stereosonic from band away head up.
Buffy bun despite the system. That's
why Stereo.
Ah, ganja man, how you go?
Listen,
from you know you are real ganja man.
Make me see the whistle in your hand. Stereosonic ganja up like you're done. But that's all more they quote them about. From you
know you are real.
We have one last song. You know, early 15. We play a different song in here. No sound in our work can play the combination. Lila Ike, K. Putan.
King of fire. Stereosonic.
How you go?
Thy will always be done.
Last song for us.
We kill jumper. Alright then, step on the journey where Jah put me. Well, if things my weakness. When Stereosonic clash, oh yes, we kill them like a sickness. Yes, we kill them out with business. So fling them on a hit list. Make big double circle around them area like a frisbee. Unsolved mystery, that sound can't trick.
We are waiting for Cape on the here, right?
It's the only way to fix it. I say word sound power play that dub ya if you with it. Now go
New York!
We now create the history and so high. When them I go down and serve your sonic start play. They know how. Say we murder jumper.
Yo, face one thing, you know. Them have some people run off their mouth and talk about Sonic. But when Sonic call them for a dance, they might put high price. But you see next year, when we call them phone, we are going to pay the money. You know why?
What them going to do when them get them beating? Rest they record them in them conspiring. What them going to do when them get them beating? They record. They will feel like they get
Time. Culture Palace. That was the Stereosonic Sound representing Team Biltmore. Members say 2 eras under one roof. And from me I promote that dancer. One simple question me I ask: who first I go shoot? But at the early 15 check-in, big up Stereosonic Sound, a pillar in the Biltmore era. Father Sonic in high place. Roger, big respect. See? Want to send enough respect to all sound system, all selectors, all patrons supporting this event. I want to them continue to support the dance hall because at this so feel thing there. Right? Right. So, right now we're going back to the Maccabees era. And when we say Maccabees, we are talking about the sound that we wall up the thing at a time where the thing did critical scene, and you have some sound where shut out the Maccabees and launch to the world. And when you talk about sound, you have to mention the Yared Sound. So right now I bring to you DJ Reds and the entire Yared Sound. 15 check-in starts now.
Yared Murder Sound anyway, anytime, any location.
Bless Yared Sound. Check. Guide it with your mighty hand. Keep it free from evil powers. Be the light through countless hours. Wanna give Jah up. No matter what they do, you're never gonna give Jah up. No matter what they say, I Yared Sound, you know. With Admiral Mystical Dog. They don't know it go. Lincoln Chico Miner.
Check. New York, are you ready?
Champion sound.
You know what the world sound upon the ground, you know.
Yeah. Never could have tested Yared Sound, no. No matter what they do, never could have tested Yared Sound.
Big up all the sound over there, you know.
No matter what a sound boy play, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh. So you can't test a jump and sound, can't test the Yared, can't test the. Much have been said about Yared Sound, yes. It's time you prove him wrong. Whoa, all of them dubs, all of your selection.
One thing when you already see when it come to war, any boy run up get them face kick off.
Admiral never give in. Oh no. Oh, their careless whisper keep them drowning in pain. Deep in pain.
But you know where I fuck up son business.
Keep them hurting.
You have some bad mind pussy when I want to strive.
Yared Sound. There's no sound in sound system, but enough for test the Yared Sound. Break up on the victim.
And you know we come from the Maccabees era, right?
They're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who came around. They lurk in the corners, skylark in the street, flirt in the town. They never done positive.
Mr. From know your heart clean, represent
the road, dance a yard before you dance abroad. Yared to tell you that on you the front. Go and have some good ways through grace.
And them say, oh God bless no man curse. Me can't tell about my sound.
Oh, Jah, give I straight. No make Yared fail, no. Live out the greater part of we day. Oh, Yared straight. Oh, Jah, give I straight. Give Yared straight. Never let him fail. Oh. Don't live out.
I know a cruise in my 15.
Nice. Guide over us. Emperor Selassie, I them the road, it's so rugged and steep. I know it is a must for us to make it home, even through them the national team.
Let me explain to you, yes, Yared will kill you at any time now. Gotta confess to you, yes, Yared, what you doing to them sound guys. You gotta duck, you kill them sound.
One thing with the Yared Sound, I be a shooter the body.
Them can't beg with no pardon. And them the face them go hard. They loud the youth them from New York and Garden. When them see a read like a flashcard. Yo again, them can't beg with no pardon. And them the face them go hard.
One thing with that sound, we not group up, we not beg friends. You know why?
Yared gonna fight them all, yeah. With the plate and record, yeah. We gonna find them to the top, yes. We gonna fight without fear. Lord, we've got to get there. We gonna find them.
Me not need for proof to a man.
Yared Sound flex for me. Yared is the sound that will kill. When he's stopping the dancer, and I never knew just what this sound could do, but I always thought.
Well, so no one kick out a boy face tonight.
More them try to kill with and the more we live longer. More them try to weak with and the more we get stronger. More them try to fool with and the more we get wiser. Can't cool, Yared get rougher. You see, more them try to kill with and the more we live longer. More them try to fool with and the more we get wiser. More them try to snipe with and the more we reach further.
Yared is killing them sound guys tonight. It's gonna be a terrible sight. Come on, everyone.
I know say they are come from
from a place called New York, Brooklyn.
Of them till pan, we gonna kill them sound before we go. Yeah, red that kid.
But from now, I'm not hear no song playing a New York artist.
Life is so short, so you
let me start it.
Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. It's later than
one thing with my boss, I'm not afraid to spend money.
Right now, here I come again with my dub plates in my hand. Killing you, killing you, killing you. We are killing.
New York, are you ready?
Yared Sound are blazing, pan sound boys run away. Yared are the same sound. We kill about 10 in Panama.
Listen, Yared Sound we play. Sweet selection every day. We got the style to beat a jump and make boy cry.
You think that's how they walk over?
Idiot sound them one contest. Yared Sound lay them to rest. Say bye, jump and bye.
We are going a warning from early.
Yared bad, and we are bold, and we still jumping.
If I saw now play right tonight, want to no point to the door and show him. You know why?
Somebody promoter call you up so you can get a beat from Yared tonight. Come over any little tip and sound. Make sure you can put up a fight.
Alright.
Your amplifier's trembling. It's gonna need attention fast until you retire. That's how long this beating's gonna last. You better run back home.
But it fuck up when those your son spend so much money on a dub in the world, nothing.
Come in at the dance and I big up your chest, and I go on like you rough. Empty barrel makes the most nice. Tonight
they're gonna tell about some sound.
I'm surprised you just a one up sound boy. You just a idiot sound boy. You just a one up sound boy. Yared, I go kill your sound.
I go kill you. Yared, I go murder you. Why? See there, see there, see there. Yared, I go kill you. Sound boy, Yared, I go murder.
Big up all the foundation, them sound book for that one.
Kill you.
Hey, it's like a puzzle every big and hard, not big rock. A real sound killer straight from Jam Rock. Them call me Dungeon.
One thing my mother always tell me: show respect to your elder LP.
When about them now, you must see man, we could not do that.
Alright.
Nation from birth, all would the running slow. Yared, you are going to hit the jackpot. We know where life hurt. When them step out them now, you must see man, we could not do.
But you have some boy, them switch it.
All would the running slow, mystic.
Me can't tell you something about them son boy there.
Yo, Yared no last away. We kick out a sound boy teeth, cause them a stray. Yared no last away. Yared a murder them. Yared's been playing original dub so long. So don't try to convince.
Shoot for the money.
You're a champion. It's rough when you chance.
All who love them mother, let me see some forward there now.
Indeed.
Let me see some lighter. You see from you love your mother.
We are Red Sound. Thank you, mama, for the way you bring me Yared through. He's a real sound killer. Only you know the struggle.
Give him chance, give him chance. Yared. All of them dead. You want test Yared and you done dead already. Sound boy, all a steady medi. You know.
You want me turn up in there?
Pumpkin bed.
Who do you want me turn up in there?
Come, this is sound no have sense. I the selector with the behind it. Stand your up. So no absence. I the selector with the behind it.
One more.
Listen.
Sound, I wanna tell you something. For real, it's no skin deep thing. From your outside appearance, you're looking nice, but I wanna know within. Are you planning to settle down or for?
Them of us say just small axe don't cut down big tree.
You're playing this and playing.
You see anytime them see Yared.
Worries and problems. Yared a murder sound right tonight.
True. Time. Culture Palace, we want to say for Yared Sound on the first 15 check-in. Member say it's 2 errors under one roof. That was the Yared Sound representing the Maccabees era. See, big up Father Natch one more time, big up Specs anyway him there. And them you, they set the foundation for what we know as the Maccabees, will help launch sounds like Yared, sounds like Kosmik. Look at more you're going to hear from King Fargo Sound to the world. See? But right now, I go forward back a Biltmore, see? And you know say, Biltmore was an era where you just kind of had to be there, right? Because great era for music, great time to be alive. Remember say, me Red Face tell you so. And when you talk about Biltmore, you have to talk about certain sound. And you see that sound, yeah? And the King sound. Yeah? And me and the Antichrist. So right now, on the first 15 check-in. Genesis, Lee Major, the Earth Ruler sound. 15 starts now. Yeah.
See it there? We're now in space. Here we go now. Turn down that instrument. Hold on. I take time. I'm an elder boy. See me? Yeah. Old ass nigga on stage. How the fuck y'all doing tonight? Everybody Irish say Irish! Yeah, me think me a Bob Marley in a reggae sunsplash right now. You walk along now. I make this iPuter fix up because I don't like vinyl days. Next time, King Fargo, when you keep something like this, make sure everybody have them vinyl. That me I tell you. Oh. Them have that? Them for find it, man. Hey, you walk on now, hear the badness. Hey, me can give you some young people talk, you know. Oh, me know the code and all them fuck with it. But guess what? I make sure it's everything capacity right. Because I'm a selector, you know. Genesis, big up yourself, Oh, in America we say marijuana, Jamaica say marijuana. So big up yourself, marijuana. You hear that? Big up Ras Pablo, big up each and every one night place. Alright, make sure it's everything alright.
King Sound, man.
Hold on there. Hold on there. You ready? Hold on there. Big up each and every one, because you see that dancer. I don't like how that dancer move, you know. See? More and big up Kosmik. Because this year, we lose an iconic singer, Jimmy Cliff. All who remember Jimmy Cliff put a 2 gunshot in the ear. Boom, 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 boom. Kosmik, by default, you get a moment of silence when Jimmy Cliff play. Big up yourself, yeah? That was a nice song. I'm sorry it never played. But right now, Earth Ruler, I got bless the place. Big up to all Rasta, man. Although some of it, I get young in our age, and our ear can grow like me.
Greetings. Yeah. I'm Willie Williams, not Gideon, presenting some Earth Ruler. Original champion
Style!
Session. Just
watch
big up man called Bracket.
Trouble there.
I'm a Bracket. Knock out all like a tin pan sound. Willie Williams says so. Go sir.
Now hear this. Earth Ruler explains everything. Speak up.
New York, Brooklyn, our sound.
But when Earth Ruler comes, it's dead.
No stage today, but we make a blood class stage.
Roll on.
Who a player?
ruler is now playing in the dance.
Remember,
if you listen carefully now, you will hear. Fast.
What?
The ruler and the sound could never be paid.
All who read D-Bro, 2 on the year. All who read D-Bro, New York.
Here a ruler comes with no specials and no 45s. 5 for 5. Oh,
Dennis Brown.
Come again. Hey.
What you say?
Do you know what it means to test the champion?
Tap it. Tap it. In another year, you what now? Me not afraid to tell people, you know. Me have 5 decades. That means me have 50. So me need 5 more years, so me have 55, right? And guess what happened now? What do one of my colleagues in the business almost passed out because him said ventilation never in a club. Father God, open up the door, look a bit. Because guess what? Me need some here. Play the song.
Earth ruler.
Lord
it's
God.
It's the last and the first time I sing for.
And
so
we need some here.
Whichever song will
Father God,
they play songs like
need
this.
Some here.
God bless you, no one.
Father God, we need some here. What you say?
Born free as
Father God, let me some here. Hold on, level.
As free as.
Hold on. Them say me play enough sound in my business and them love card me. But one blood clot sound me love for life. Play me song. That's up, yeah.
Today I've been searching the whole wide world for a sound like you. Earth ruler like you.
Drop on next one for them.
Oh yes.
What no wonder? One my soul I play, not no boring, no kaya. Not no boring.
So tomorrow will come and Earth ruler is gonna kill a sound for me.
What do you mean, Genesis?
Kill a sound for me.
More song for them.
The last thing I'll do.
Thank you very much.
Earth ruler is too bad for you.
Yeah.
So bad for you. Oh yes, yeah. Do you know what tonight is? We're gonna kill a sound boy. Earth ruler.
Stop. In a full life, talk the truth where God love. All who love life, put your hand in the air. All who love life. Respect to the Maccabees sound them. Rate them and love them. But you see LP, Stereosonic, Hadis, and more the latter sound them from them time there. Play me song.
Imagine.
My sound! The world sound! How they wanna go?
Look at the trees, how their leaves are blowing away in the sky. Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Listen to the sound, Earth rulers playing the dance.
Listen to one of them.
All these sounds were created by Earth rulers.
On and on and on.
All who give praises for life.
So we bless it.
All who give praises.
Blend my God's Jah according to the works that I do, and fight against the ones that fight against the good that I do.
But select up on the go.
Without a God, they hid for me, a net inside a hole, but I won't stumble and fall through it all.
One bad sound I play. We play legendary music.
Yeah.
All who rate Berry Summer, let me see some signal now the blood clot here.
La 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 la, kill the Earth ruler. Yeah. La 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 la, kill the Earth ruler.
Them song ya.
And so I went downtown just cruising around.
John!
Yeah, not necessarily shopping. I was just hanging on my own. And so I went to a dance and I found myself in the middle of things.
Major, don't talk. Keep by your mouth.
Lined up and two of them just couldn't stand
Make Mary someone sing out the song.
Ruler took the stands. They had to leave, yes, before a ruler knocked them down.
Bad sound on road. Wicked sound on road.
We come under school, yeah. Hey, mama, just tell them one thing. Watch out. Them one who I am and where I'm from. Oh, give me the data rock if you kill your jump and must win the conquering lion. One of the overs or two live as Zion.
May I ask you a question? Yeah, the question.
I live to you once. Request my virgin liquor boom. I knew we are bad boy. Earth ruler, leave me a job.
Brooklyn!
I'ma say.
Reality we say. Reality we say.
I say tribute to Selassie, I the great emperor who rule the world, rolling entire Selassie the great.
What are they? Stereosonic.
When the king wake up and back on field with him soldier Selassie, raise him rod, peal, lightning and thunder.
What are they?
In front of every rasta, rest them in news, sit up with no warmonger.
Hold on, level. Me not tell a lie, me have cuss someone. Someone who wait for come and dance, I'll prefer Father God. When I pussy all. All who know them praise Father God in them yard, anywhere them they put your hand in the air.
Me bother you never die while judgment.
What is it? Come on,
sing praises be to His name.
I want to know
God Almighty, the ruler of the earth. Earth ruler man them all a sing praises be to His name.
Level.
Judgment God.
I say that dancer called peace, love and unity. Why you don't know, you know? Hold on. You know some of these offsprings have a look of disrespectful behavior. From we fi kill offspring if them disrespect to one another.
Well then, I said no mercy at all. Sure, I chat about her true love.
Remember me tell you.
Well, Maccabees said, anyway, well, her true love always prepare for war. Rule and a fight like girls, and we no fight and scare. Gonna win justice, we not left it far. Well, light we use rap bank and shoot up armored car. I don't dare rule the face. Gunshot a bust a pussy was sound for fall E.T. Man a bust not ball brigade. From boy we get gunshot.
Level. When you say a lion screw, you have to talk about elephant man. Musically. Come on, know enough of no one fish up conversation. So me have to say musically. Because I know young youth don't love too much body conversation. Let me tell you about the artists here when pass and gone. Song!
Quick now, elephant and dandy, and sing again. Lord, I run through the city like I don't give a ball. This ruler make bad man name call.
One ruler!
I run the carrot on the wall. Oh, them is such a team out pal.
In jackpot culture, see and major me gal. And stalking. Some boy disrespect you will look laughing.
What's on the road?
Don't tell me to look back.
Try ruler!
Me sing. Cho, son boy, make me tell you this story. Her ruler, we kill you. Go on, go cool. Gunshot me gonna use and damage your sound and abuse you.
Earth ruler say. Earth ruler rule with the
all the red bush of Mountain. And now here.
I bunch of arms. Bad, bad boy. Bad, 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 bad boy. Me bunch of Mountain all rude, rude boy. Rude, 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 rude boy.
So what the name?
Where we say. Make you go like bully so. I'm bound by the line you now go. I want to know, I want fly in a yo. Make you a wild.
I like how the dance here go. Like how the dance here go on. That dance here go on nice.
No matter farm, no fool, long go back around there. You can't say me never want you. You fit jam one away.
Hold on. All rate Dennis Brown put you on a year. On a year. All rate John Holt.
Earth ruler gonna break you down. Earth ruler come to run the town. Earth ruler run things. Hey, hey. Sound boy, come to Earth Ruler School and let them teach you the sound rule. Sound boy, you better know yourself, because tonight you know it's going to be dead.
Well, if any tweeter bird feel them can fly, whoo. If you violate, whoo. If you violate again, whoo.
King's the last day I live at the side. Kill another one upon the border. When we say, boy, you could have put on the wings and the burning and fly. There is no escape from earth ruler tonight. Blind and the atom bus pass.
Well, me know Natch, me know Donovan for Maccabees days. I meet them first cause. Hold on, let me make a talk. People, me not tell a lie. One of the time they made I get super obese. And how me I get obese is watching food and say, you look like a good appetite. Me I get super obese. But Super Natch and Donovan say, Lee Major, road, horse. But you know what? After all walk one, after all walk one,
ooh yeah, everyone's gonna dance a little jump and sound. Ooh yeah.
People, some say me go a Planet Fitness. Who give a fuck, Lee Major? We don't care how you lose weight. But you see, when Earth Ruler my sound a trod, tell them Genesis.
Hey, after all I'm said and done, what a big run, might as well no get to no gun. Only for talking, we can walking. I beat up on no gum, no move, we get to no jam. Earth Ruler is the
people. Are you ready? All who say Earth Ruler go out of vibe, say boom, 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 boom. Face, are your job, mind my business.
Culture Palace, what do you say for the Earth Ruler sound? Representing the Biltmore era, DJ Genesis, Lee Major upon the 1515 check-in. I want the item, support the bar, don't be a scuminark. I want to dip on the dry throat reasoning. For those of you who want to consume and make sure your system, you understand? Before you get your drink, we have refreshments for the item, so go and support the thing. One of the item, stay tuned for some information regarding Warris Wednesdays. More of the item, log on to that saying each and every Wednesdays, Warris Wednesdays. Look at more, we'll give them some information on that. So, you have heard from the Earth Ruler, from the Biltmore era, a member say a two era under one roof. So right now, I bring to you from the Maccabees era to the world, Crisscross, King Fargo, the King Fargo Sound. Your 15 starts now.
Yo, check 1, 2. Right about now, more and big up the Maccabee crew them in the house. Supernatural and the whole entire crew, big up. Everybody knows that me make Maccabees make the most money. Show this. Yo. Big up everybody will come out. Big up the whole life sound man will come out. Lee Major, big up yourself. You go on with yourself. Saying, big up Stereosonic. Big up LP. Big up the Biltmore sound them. Saying, but you see Maccabees wasn't a club. It was a movement. You see it, Biltmore was a club. Now it turned Sprint store. Yo, first 15 minutes, me could play some song right here so with them.
Stand your high. No sound no rough, no tough, no better than Fargo Sound. No sound no rough, no tough, no better than this one. No sound no rough, no tough, no better than Fargo Sound. No sound no rough, no tough, no better than this.
Hold on.
A sound is gonna die, why? Die to her night, why? Yo, King Fargo, a graveyard said them go. Yeah, hear me? I would them tell them wrong to come test King Fargo. Them you there.
What the sound ready for your vibes?
It's a big up. All Waterhouse and New York Massive. Hear that?
Ready now.
Say you only got a few seconds more to drop dead right there
on
the dance floor. In any soundclash Fargo ever ready. Box
is a dub plate and box is a LP. Little rapper pam pam, a peer rapper pam pam.
Right about now, remember one artist named Ed Robinson?
King Fargo.
Who remember the artist here?
You know, born on fire, born for fry, I am they're from my sound boy, this. It better not miss. I step across, keep Fargo border. And my sound boy done this. And done this. Skin I go burn like a pepper. They're from my sound boy, gears. It quiet ways, King Fargo, and chat guns, we bust them, yo. Natural, yeah, I'm a sound boy.
What boy?
You take the bright to get wanna stay.
Right about now, big up the artists them from Brooklyn.
End up. And now you come around acting like a bloody clown. And I raise your mouth, no. End up. Please, my youth, don't test. You might have caused a mess.
Right about now, big up all of the Brooklyn artists them. All the way to artists named Sammy Jet. Go on, stop.
They doing.
Quench it first. Quench it.
From killing them King Fargo. No King Fargo in the area because I know your secret.
Big up on yourself. All the way Sammy Jet, give me any signal for Father Sammy.
The town, you are the A1 sound. Every time I looking at the deck, when I hear King Fargo a play, there I surely know King Fargo, you're the champion. Oh God, so I sit back for a while, and then I look into her eyes. There I surely know this girl, she's mine.
Where the bad sound name?
King Fargo Sound.
Me nah lie, a 6 sound up on the bill.
Yes,
but me can't tell about the sound, yeah.
King Fargo. Hi.
What?
King Fargo is the true sound, and need not search no more.
What no?
King Fargo is the true dub, and need not search no more. King Fargo. One sounds like a wandering sheep on this Jaja's veins.
Level. Big up Lee Major. Me hear you play some Dennis Brown. King Fargo Sound built 2000. We not have no Dennis Brown. You know why I hear my Dennis Brown?
Leave out of Babylon, Fargo. Repatriation is a must if you not leave when Fargo leave. Sit to dust, yo. Repatriation is a must if you not run when Fargo. Fire I go burn, yo. Repatriation is a must if you not flee when Fargo flee. Ashes to dust, yo. Repatriation.
Some man do more talking than playing music.
We're gonna murder them now.
I'm just 15.
I'm gonna say, ooh, your first mistake was you talk out all your time. Can't test King Fargo morning, noon or night. If you would have known then the things that you know now. And you violate King Fargo Sound, you are gone dead right now, sound boys.
Don't waste your read him again, youth.
King Fargo Sound, man like War Chef, Ringo Starr, Chris Cross, Deal, Chris Boss.
15 minutes, me never start juggling.
Traps in us up, you know when you step in a dance. Sound dead. King Fargo forever.
Big and serious, all the way King Fargo, gun on in our ear.
King Fargo for life. Watch out. King Fargo are the sound everybody need. We come to kill them sound in right here now we are gonna mash up some sound.
Deal, big up yourself, yo.
King Fargo are the sound everybody know. Richie Stevens tell you so. I've got to let you know. King Fargo got danger in his eyes.
Level. Them say tonight a hard tackle. Who can manage the hard tackle go up on the blood clot bench?
You better get out uptown. King Fargo string up them sound. You must be foolish to come try test the champion. You better hear what I say. Back up and go away. You better look somewhere to hide. We'll bury them again. We hit you.
Right about now. Big up Stereosonic. Blaze, big up yourself. Me not kill your car. And your father do my taxes. Your father my accountant. Big up yourself. Fiance. Right about now, this is a 3 the hard way. This is Scatter, Junior Tucker, and Capleton. Ready?
Jump on sound, you and your friend. Hear this.
Well, this is not a false alarm. Well, this is a warning. This is not a false alarm. Well, this is a warning. Tell them again. This is not a false alarm.
Well, this is a warning.
Tell them King Fargo. This is not a false alarm.
Brooklyn, tell them.
This is a warning. King Fargo, tell them.
This is a warning, 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 warning.
Well,
then another warning, 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 warning.
I war on Capleton joke.
Sure. This is not a threat of warning I'm sending to King of Fire.
Prophet again.
Boy, if you're this King Fargo, then you must fight the dust. Equal rights and justice.
Well,
that's what he taught us. If you're this Selassie,
warm up yourself, youth.
Emperor Selassie, I guide I and I.
This is Emmanuel.
You can't deny. Everything shall bow and every tongue shall tell them.
Enough of them are walk with
them. Murder them with rubber dubstep.
Me DJ again.
Why do some sound boy rage when you hear me sing and imagine vainting?
Voila.
But make sure you live vertical. It's always up full in every way. And I said don't get tricked, neither convict, and then become a victim.
The first round we are sport.
Oh, you hear me sing? Them can get paid as card in missing. Be careful of the life that you live in. I said be careful.
We are weird
to doing. I said be careful of the things that you're saying. I said be careful of what.
If I'm gonna feel your sound, no we no feel.
Mike is Chris, big up yourself.
I'm gonna kill your sound, cause we don't care. It's a bit rougher than rough, and we tougher than tough. Yeah, we strong like lion. Yeah, we are iron.
King Fargo, no
feel your sound.
Them say 5 minutes, ready again.
To me, only a decide mount for me. King Fargo Sound and you are all gangale.
First round.
I was born to be free, and we all gangali, gangali. Tell them we all gangali, gangali. Worship is all gangali, gangali. And whoever they will see. Say, I wanna be free from all chains and all bangles and rope, free from all bars and all borders and death.
Mr. Wait till in the morning.
Fargo.
Yeah.
King Fargo will murder any sound killer, select a guy. Tell a sound boy don't try. Fargo will murder any sound killer, select a guy, and send them out sky.
Oh, them is a dead blood clot and a dead bamba.
Pan Chef, Azzy, Gavin, Granati.
Early round.
Them want test King Fargo. Tell them fi come. Them
run out and look and know we kill them fi fun. Voila.
Black men shot the latest we come down. And while you go get before the rising sun. Why fly like plane? Tell them fi drive like car.
We are wait for.
Water, some mad cover, Mr. Helter Skelter. Alright, some pussy wolf in now.
Where's the crisscross?
King Fargo, no back down from a pussy hole. Go, many times in the want the war. King Fargo, no trace, we know we.
Well, I know.
Oh, many times in the want the war. We no back down from a pussy hole. Go.
You have some man them on go talk to.
Them boy they a pussy.
We can't tell you about them.
Go, me King Fargo. Boy say them a shot at them and a shot off in no man ya saw.
Rival shot pussy in a face, taking picture video to make it go viral. How are you man? Hot shot, mad people.
Well, King team, my friend, me not joke, we not laugh. And no time King Fargo make her start. Big 45 pop off.
No pussy can't talk. Whoa, yo.
Chef, gun in the hand, him not joke, him not play. Shot, come your night, come DJ. What if he get gunshot? That's so cancer say. That's why the world dance bad. Whoa, pussy like that, them the.
When gunshot bounce and ricochet you for one. Test King Fargo, your pussy went bad.
Well on.
Beat it up to the band, to the band, to the band. Beat it up to the band, to the band, to the band. Rouse it up to the band, to the band, to the band. Drag it up to the band. King Fargo.
King Fargo, a general, is a Fargo master.
All the red slug, it got on.
Yeah, man, here's my virgin. His son boy get lightning and thunder and brimstone and fire. Lightning and thunder.
Boy, everybody sing out the party.
Who do you wanna praise? I'm Lucifer.
Big and serious, all in a bad man, gun on in our ear.
Progressive sound must try. I have killed them with positive vibes.
nothing but cultural style. Just tell me, ooh, I go hold it back, fuck.
Big and serious. Not you remember when we dropped that song here, Maccabees?
I sing, she goes out to the men and voila! Said, can you help me? Yeah. When it's cold, I got nowhere to sleep. Yeah, it says somewhere you can take me.
The Fargo, I think
in the name of the Lord, King Fargo.
Yeah, looks like peanut chat, Boston, Earl, son of man, and part of preaching, gunshot baking, pussy sleep and gunshot waking. What is this? Yo, pussy on the dead.
Ready?
So you can play the last dummy you want, bumbo. To make me think you are gonna lose your life. King Fargo, I think I said go. Well, when man sent to me, if you come kill baby, and I live a minute before the blood clot hour. Yeah, talk about me before the midnight hour, I go suck your mother. Listen this, boy, listen this. No bumbo clot, you know. What you know? Before you die, jump and
feed the Lord.
Reach out and touch him now.
You have some man try build more days them a come from. Them want this the young youth them ready.
Chris Cross, Cancer, Ringo Starr, Jermaine, and Massive Easy. No respect, disrespect, in all aspects of sound on the world. We could be smart and devil born a split here and come this time.
Any man make no loose talk.
Why run up, you know we going on get him and back shut off. 7-9 friend, and everything. Listen here, man.
Final.
Don't like cancer. Firehouse, you don't know without a sponsor. Scene back.
Yes, tonight.
Every sound have a right to decide here. Own destiny. In a firehouse dancer, we have no partiality. Go for your Uzi and your special.
I
put them on the band. No, any boy violating a dancer tonight and get out of order. Tell them to pussy on the corner.
Time. Culture Palace, what do you say for the King Fargo Sound? Representing the Maccabees era. And the item don't know, say a two era underneath one roof. And would they pay homage to the Biltmore era as well as the Maccabees era? And that's the thing set. So, in the interest of time, quick and fast, like when the ball let them kick and pass, I bring to you, representing the Biltmore era, the phenomenal bad LP Sound.
Check. Yeah, big up. Check. Good. Yeah. Big up all I sound them in the building, you know, man. I say big up all the people that move forward out. You know, man, you Kaya, big up yourself. See? Big up the whole Biltmore crew them. You know, man, I say, me and Jolly, big up yourself. You don't know the things set up. Starlight, Biltmore, Flamingo, Tilden Ballroom, you know, me I deal with a whole heap of place. See? So I just touch a little bit of the tune them from back in them time there. And you know the things set. That one a better? Yeah. Check. Yeah. So, King Fargo, big up yourself. You don't know, big up the Fargo crew. Big up the whole LP crew in the building. See? Me start me thing like this.
Hey! I hear some boy growing up talk about some of the wickedest sound and them are leading sound and way. Well, watch this. This is LP International and we are Kill Boy classical, you know, in B flat major. Easy man like Puma, Starfish and Mario with no pet people. Read him, Chuck. Big up all the masters on the time, you know. This is back on here without free.
We are talking about turn off sound. We are hear me helping not turn off no sound tonight because we come
all who go Biltmore already, bust a blank in a ear, me here.
Kill sound LP.
All who go Biltmore already.
We not gonna turn off we sound, no, Lord.
All of the LP fans them bust a blank. Every LP fans in here. Clot a blank in a ear and tell them.
Say LP is a threat. Say LP is a threat.
A doublet we go use and cut a sound. Boy, make me say that LP is a threat. Say LP is a threat. A fret, them a fret and them no hear nothing yet. We never turn up, we sound out. Sound killer.
All who want listen to LP long time.
Sticky ticky ticky do na no na no na no na no na no na. See, kill them already, we go and kill them again.
Away kid.
We go and kill them again.
Away the kid.
Sound killer.
J. Brooklyn Road boy.
I hear a whole heap of talk a going out the road.
Boy take man feel that thing.
One thing I want them know.
Well then.
One thing.
The Cabra office said well. LP we big gun is willing. From a pussy all this we fish at him at the only explanation. I can find wonders and sign. By this you should know. This wicked man boy you brain go and blow body in a mug. Look and observe.
Every people no problem. Sit down.
Everybody slow. Well them should know better than that.
All who read Father Puma knows the Father Puma big up blood clot sound. All who read Father Puma show me respect now.
Shabba, him there, LP International, easy Puma, all Ryan. When the nurse in the bed, when the jabba so that we no powder.
Yo, all right, fix it. Cause one of them are no key, and we are try it down, and we realize so nothing did there for draw down. You see what I say? Fix it. Fix it quick and fast. You don't know the thing go. No, don't. At the same, I shower that. Everything good, man. Oh, you play it back? All right, play it back. Play it back. So I use them two key here. All right. No, see that? It now play through it. We are going to make it work. Bring it back over here, sir. Let's bring it back over here, sir. We are make it work. No, not chip out. We just work with one key, and we are try to work with few. You understand? All like people that got Maccabees and grew up in that era, the boss are blank me here. I see who I play for. Couple. All like people that got Biltmore and Maccabees, boss are blank me here. All right. All right. What work with
Mad sound.
Oh, it's a word now.
Mad sound. Now the sound of in you mean. Anything just a sound I feel pain. What is the name? Shabba. Him there. LP International. Easy Pew.
Make it play.
All Ryan. When the nurse in the bed, when the jabba so that we no powder. LP International, them a chew that.
Turn down his sound, look at me.
When the nurse in the pet, when the nurse in the nurse in the pet, when the nurse in the pet, when the jabba so that we no powder. If you test original, you get turn over.
Yeah.
Some liquor jump and what is the matter with them? Play 1 and 2 that can't make them be legend. Face a row.
We have to wait for the bad part I songs. We can't tell about sitting more LP.
Gen multiply by 10 and anything just LP get free that them. Cool, fool. We come from the Biltmore school of the most dumb plitting and the rubber dog school. Cool, fool. We come from the Starlight school.
When we are talking about LP and we are talking about Biltmore, we are talking about them song here.
LP sound man, run things here.
Them song here.
Boy. Listen. Enough of them ballin' for soundclash. Some of them want.
Them time I live at Jamaica, but me listen all I can send them.
Who a piece of tin pan sound boy in your
face?
All of LP, them. Run things. Say fast. LP sound.
May I ask you a question right now? Which bomb cloud sound they are? Which sound they are? What do you tell me?
The big bad sound is in town again, my lord. The big bad sound again. The big bad sound is in town again, Lord.
All who real tell peace, this guy there.
They say we beat every sound. LP.
One thing them say about the sound here. From 1982 till now.
Cause LP too bad, LP too rude. Any other sound test I'm bound to lose.
All like people that live and grow in Brooklyn, Bossa Black, I want to see how me I play for. All who know say Brooklyn a LP sound, and LP a Brooklyn blood clot sound.
LP International.
You see, if you see me play another sound in a life, when you fling me a buckle for me.
Whoa,
You know why?
LP International will always be fast sound for like it.
And the massive.
Oh, hey.
Remember them song I used to run Biltmore too, you know? But remember?
Listen. You say you love LP sound and you wanna play forever, but LP treat you badly and they send you off the rest. You cannot kill LP sound. LP International. No sound.
Remember them, yeah?
The best north, south, east, and west.
Remember?
So for the first time you test the LP, we had a clear sound. It'll jump and sound. The next time you test the LP, we had a various sound. It'll open sound.
All who knows if LP a war,
somebody try again.
Anytime LP a clash or LP a bet your money upon 200 a year. 200.
Mercy. Ooh, the shape we ring.
God Almighty.
Them couldn't believe that we killed them sound again.
Remember the first 15.
LP keeps coming again. So why you just can't win? No. LP is going to bury you.
Boom, I play some people in here.
To put them little sound away. We are gonna run them. I go shield them. We are gonna shield them.
We'll get it here. No worry.
Worries in the dance. Worries tonight. Worries in the dance. Worries. Worries in the dance. Worries there.
How you call that song here? Medley.
Fire there, move still and think a cool breeze. I said I tell them already.
We'll stick to it. Straight Biltmore song that area.
Hey, you be you bang be you then. You be the bang then boy. You be you.
I remember 15 minutes. We can't waste no time. Time too short. You ready?
Alright.
Don't test LP. Don't test LP. Don't test LP. Don't test LP.
New York artist.
LP. Don't test LP. You're on the move. You're on the right track. You're tuned to LP and you can't turn back. Oh yes, you're on the move. You're on the right track. You're tuned to LP and you can't look back.
Pinchers, me response. Watch out. Check.
Remember everywhere to New York, you know. Biltmore. LP Sound. Let me tell you.
Oh, LP, you're the champion murderer. We kill a jump on in it tonight. LP, you're the champion sound killer. Pop off, jump and think I need a stripe. LP, you're the champ.
We decide so we're not playing no anthem.
Murder.
We are playing some different songs. Some song I used to play on Biltmore. One no remember this?
In a this time, some boy die. And you must mind how you walk and talk. Your LP sound, but them can't see no heart. And them must mind how them a run up them out. We kill.
Boom, I want to say. Time too short.
And them must mind how them a laba laba. The champion sound, it a love the bada. And them must mind what they say or do. LP sound, it will murder you. You must.
All who come here for a good time. And if you love that concept here, and if you love LP Sound, make we juggle it now. Juggle it.
LP done a sound in the dance. Slow them in the line. People keep dancing. The big bad sound is playing. Cause in a dance hall, LP we no pet no sound. Anything test them get through that.
Sit ya!
Oh yeah.
Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Remember big sound in Ireland, you know. Big sound in Ireland.
Play it alone. Play so sweetly. There's no doubt LP will play clear.
No, we done. So come on to the road.
Church up in you on Flatbush. Biltmore blood clot sound. Who remember this? Blood clot.
All of the sound them where your place flies up. LP up, pack them up.
Watch it, the boy. Send another one come.
Make sure that they're on the best behavior tonight to hear.
Alright. You should never test LP sound. You shouldn't try with a nick. Now Polly Wally give the doggy bone. You caucus in the years is going to the final.
Over the years, a whole heap of people bad mind that sound ya. Bad mind are the worst disease. You don't believe me? Remember.
What you do? Fight. LP I get a fight, but fight. So now
remember this?
Me said that when them do the LP make him beat them so bad.
Beat them on the case again. Hey boy, ever this one knows something for watching a block.
Me hear someone that try to throw some subliminal to you know. Me I tell you no another.
Watch your talk, mind will shut out your heart. LP at the original bad boy gonna see it. Another
all Brooklyn man will bust them one a gun.
Make out of me this at the weapon original 90.
All Flatbush massive. All the could open the stomach every time tears without fear.
I want to say LP we say the library.
I'm easy and all the cities. Lord have mercy, Sunday not the party. You me know, so on the Brooklyn posse. And the New York fan.
Library!
Watch me people, them have the music. LP International, full up on the music. A sound never test them out that on that in a mimic. They play me mother cousin and the DJ spirit. Football in a me bed and the thing called cricket. A sound boy go take it and go put.
Alright, here we are though. We have pick up the ganja man then before we left. We have put a little bit of energy on that people them foot. So you remember them song from Biltmore, dog?
When strike my spine bass light, just flip past it through. Anytime past it come like that if you watch ya.
All who burn ganja bust a blank. Put the one here, let me see.
Watch ya.
Do it.
When tell them me say all who smoke sense and mela push up on the under. Badang them. All who smoke sense and mela push up on the
Biltmore.
Badang, but from your smoke the
so London crew man, watch this. That is a Spanish case again man. No.
Where me gone now? England?
Hear this now. LP play different from the rest. LP play different from the rest.
England we gone.
Tonight we are gonna put it to the test. LP play different from the rest. And tonight we are gonna put it to the test.
And we sing this on the rice and plate and chicken stuff in no LP.
Yeah, that Fargo round there. Rice and peas and chicken curry. Yeah. I don't know the first round. We just playing some of them songs they want to know used to. We used to play a Biltmore for the people that never used to go a Biltmore, right? So you don't know, don't further ado. Who wants to the most?
Alright, Culture Palace. Remember, say me telling you, say a 2 era under one roof. And that was the LP International. Straight from the Biltmore era, representing Father Puma. You look like DJ Stunner. So big up the guy of them chest. So, when you don't know the thing go, every sound did the 15-15 check-in. So now the ball a roll. So right now, I gonna bring to the item the stereosonic sound on the ground. Big up Father Roger and I plays. So you like Blaze, forward a sampler and make me know say everything locking. That is it.
Sonic.
So you like Blaze, stereosonic sound.
Stereosonic, wickedness increase, population decrease, you understand? Big up my brethren, Metro, Jungle and Roger. Face down on yourself, run the ball out of the rat race, you understand? Cause Roger,
by the time 9 morning now.
Time we a bust gun from your eye down knee. So boy I talk, them better flee. Run it! Stereosonic wickedness increase for years.
You know when you sound your touch on New York.
Lord of mercy.
Hi go!
All guys in this crew just go hide the gun and grease them and take original super seed up on the attack. Stereosonic, are you there?
You see Roger Metro Sound?
Pass the block.
Tell them!
Cause we a bad boy from me left Guyana. Stereosonic, them are the ruler.
Remember, my sound surf on the ground the border. Sound make up enough dub, enough amps and enough Twitter. When we a kill a sound, we dropping platinum and they go.
We now waste no time, New York, how you go?
Eternal Father, may I beg your ear our pro.
Who there?
No, this is Stereosonic Sound, original is the teacher. Oh God, now we're gonna pray for the sound them in the ghetto area.
Just in case them forget.
Them a big up them.
We there for remind them, you see Stereosonic?
Stereo. Sound boy remember, Stereosonic on the area.
Easy down you. Sweet and fresh. Stereosonic.
We now waste no time. How you go?
Ah yes, the saddest thing in their life. Stereosonic, that's our kind of sound. Friends were feeling the pain.
Roger, a full time we stop juggle the sound. A time for kill people. Yes, see people that hear ya.
Tell them this we say. We let out the mercy, we don't get the back yet. You disturb us and it will not let Roger say. We give away we pity, we destroy your city. Who no check say ya to up we are. Jungle no mercy.
Big up Addies. Big up Spectrum. Big up the whole of the Biltmore sound them. But no, yeah, I want to ask you that question. I can't ask you now.
And ask them who I go get this sound of the year. If I no stereosonic, well sound clash no fear. Stereosonic are the bad number one.
Yo!
Anything test.
One thing about that sound, yeah, you see Stereosonic?
Like this. We cool hearted and dangerous. Not a shot after down the road. Boy, not just how we are shoot folks. Merciless and vicious. And we now got the life from a gunshot bust. Moving cold hearted and merciless. Cause everything we suspect. We not
only for some on the bill tonight.
When we begin to take an enemy.
And the boy call up on him and know what?
And so we are asked who next you will cripple. Who next you will kill.
Hey!
Boy, you're Benny Hill. Boy, you're Benny Hill.
Hold on, no man. Or call the studio Joe.
404. We're not bad boy talking pussy test and dead friend in the bag. Stereosonic.
What there?
That's why they come a ball. I said, indeed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time man make me some mad no earth start with me big 45.
New York!
No pussy can't talk.
Sing it!
I don't need any original. Stereosonic rule.
One thing we know tonight, you see?
Style!
I'm gonna go play no more strangers. Stereosonic is gonna dust your sound. And I don't care how long it takes. So
one thing about the Biltmore sound them. One thing we're not afraid to kill people, you know what?
Why? Right! Blood I go spill, somebody get killed.
Oh, He-Man, Bullet, Brooklyn, Jersey, Guyana.
Man could drop some song in here.
I want to them fool. Well, here we can beat with us, why them off each other. Gold Platinum, the man called David, Skinny Hype. Oh, that girl, we.
All the real bounty killer right now, show me some BK signal.
Yeah.
New York.
Up the damn bomb. Watch your speech and your words, what you're saying. Killer is here, Stereosonic, them willing. What up with them demon? Brooklyn, New Jersey, Guyana, London, worldwide. None of mercy. Boy, wanted tell him don't grade my gun. Run out a look and now me kill that for fun. Black blank shot the latest way come down. A boy you got it before the rising sun. Boy fly like plane tell him fi
You could have 100 million songs. Let me tell you one thing about Roger and Metro Sound. Anytime we play a song, now listen New York.
Guyana, London. We no afraid of no boy and we no fear no guy. Unbeatable, we might not jump and no try. Sound clash them say we rub out some sound guy. Say this and you say that no one till you say the wrong thing. When you say hurt Stereosonic them feeling. Big gun pop out in this brawling morning. Wings, murder them, in front them talking disrespect. Yeah.
Level, people time short so we're not it, right? When you're forward a dancer, you have to hear some Biltmore songs, some Biltmore rhythms. Big up to everybody who know about that era there. All who there for hear tune for your money say yes. Listen me, man.
Wicked man, jungle elephant man to fear. I be a gunshot the boy my team. I'm elephant man now go break.
When you say Biltmore, you say the rhythm, yeah.
Well, your brother dead and him a think up in the alley. Just to a Stereosonic name the boy can be. Him go this me sing a Julas and culture.
How you go?
Not a mercy. Well, get fierce man, make him go shut up all up and say. Them go this man where you kill fit a fee. Oh, you think I'm Stereosonic sound traffic. Body fine in a holly.
A gunman from Raymond all drunk. Mongrel, strong.
We don't waste no time.
We big up Aquaman. Don't worry, brother.
Who the member?
With that. Well, you're this bad man without cause. And for a reason, that's how your life lasts. You come this me
Christmas in a couple days.
You know see your life gone back in the past.
Oh, no sing now.
Well, if you feel you want this, me gun finger. Ta 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 ta. Well done, well done. Stereosonic sing memories, don't live like people do. And they always remember you. Whether things is good or bad, it's just the memories that well, Bumbo will stop live down in the past.
None of mercy. Well,
there's no way I could play that song and not play them tune, yeah. Bounty!
Stereosonic, them come up and you when them know they shouldn't try. Not take no excuse, no. Just go nice, Lord.
Needless to say no more when somebody call for more. But me see you no more, say no stand it, don't scare him.
I know them say peace, love and unity. But I know no friend thing in here tonight. If a boy this, guess what I go to New York?
Like this, sugar stick excess amount of weight, it? Maccabees there for the hands out there.
Guess what I go on?
Well, we tell them say bad man, no big friend, pussy off it dead.
Hey, whoa, whoa, stereosonic, whoa, whoa.
But now waste no time short.
This is the song of stereosonic proverbs. Hey,
okay.
This is the song of stereosonic proverbs.
Lee Major, big up yourself. You know when this song used to play in Brooklyn, any black party, gunshot beat. All who remember New York, New York, New York.
Country. Hey, bang better angle about angle bang. Hey, what hey, hey, bang better angle about angle bang. What you just got terrasonic far away.
When you no baby wait for the night, all the rain baby wait, must have blank in ya. All the rain baby wait.
Have mercy, just throw them eagle and build trouble. Stereosonic, oh them life like Chango. Yes, them are going to be wicked, so we tell them, and we are ask them, we look on them, ask them. I sing.
All heap of sound and I building who say them bad, but also ask them this. Ask them.
I sing, how them are going like them bad song, and enough of them always enough nice serious. They will ask them, how them are going like them bad song. Yes, and them never yet leak out a man marrow.
Level. All who know say you're not beg no friend in a life. If a boy not like you, you not like them neither.
God of his mercy,
Early Capitan.
God of his mercy,
How go?
What we say? I sing, them not like we and we not like them. Them are we enemy and we them no friend. Them not like we and we not like them. From the sound boy, Roger not beg no friend. We come again. Billy cut and this other mic, them we come again.
Is me and I dance and me I smell beer ganja. Big up all the ganja man them in ya. Big up all the ganja woman them in ya too. Come and not lie. It make me feel away when them say them want ganja stop burning a dance. Could never in Brooklyn, New York ganja stop burning. You mad?
Yeah, no. There's a never burning down.
You mad?
Because of ganja man on the place. Love and sunshine.
New York, who no say?
Me all say, give me the weed, good ganja weed. Now water burning down, count the will murder the breed. Give me the weed, good sense the weed. Ganja me smoke me all yes indeed. So ganja healing of the nation.
Don't worry yourself, look the ranking cause you big every time. So try and think them can't cross the borderline.
New York, I go!
Jump on, put up the sound thing and leave it alone. We don't want the place run like a dead man zone. We don't matter where you come from, we don't matter how you look. You go and get a rape, watch it. Boy, your life gone like
Level. When me ask all the way, baby, when me see how forward, so me go ask again. Early baby, we in New York City.
So you let down gone and let people moaning. Over your body, we no stop from sing. Cause you're playing a sound that you know you can't win. Then think that the eyes are serious. We come on and baby, when we in so ugly.
Boy, you couldn't take all the rings of the morning and see. Oh, if the escape come back sound like way. Hiding at the deepest spot. And the well, the bigger gun, white talk, the bad man, white. The king come tell the world something. Take him to the funeral spot. What a wicked dance. Don't make it still.
All on a bad man right now. Boss a Blanquinia. All on a bad mind.
Oh God. Always something there to remind me. Sha-la-la-la-la. Always something there to remind me. Sha-la-la-la-la. You know we've been there already. Make we go there.
Me is a man. Me don't keep too much sound man friend.
Just 10. So we know what to do.
Cause some sound man bad mind. Me can't tell about some of them.
Friend.
Well, you see a man face, so you know a man description.
Yo!
Play band and bone champion sound the world song.
When I hear the artists you playing, I dance all night.
Along with I Fargo Demus, I told tower.
Nicodemus!
Fancy I wa.
Yo!
Fan them upon me say them no sound yet. Fan them upon me say them no sound yet. Fan them upon me say them no sound yet. Fan them upon me say them no sound yet. For one mistake, Master God make give some sound guy cocky when the pussy them to get.
Them say 4 minutes, so I'm not wasting no time. Bujo.
Happens to be a phone start. Here comes the original stir. Standing up, born in a boy and a girl. Original ringo.
Boy, that time they're too short, man. Now like red face.
Sure. On a big of a time. Sure. And call out on the red rose on the soul block.
One thing about the sound, you know ya?
Why?
Them can't play like a you. Well, all them a run up them mouth and a slow. She a baloo. Them can't juggle like you. Sonic the dubs that you play. Them ever shell up. Wanna whop them, wanna miss a whop them too. Over Grove like Cargill Avenue. Excitement.
Some people get vexed when them see Metro and Roger Sound a road. Tell them New York. Them can't stop it.
Man, so when them a go do this stop Sonic Crew. Can't stop the rock around them from go through. When them a go do this stop Stereo Sonic Crew. Anything them do. You take we off the main and lock we in a hole. As they let you on the gamba pump patrol. Strictly over the music just don't touch your world soul. Watching girls a move just like on your ball a roll. Earlier this style and get out of control.
I don't know if the Maccabees sound them could keep this pace, cause this is the Biltmore pace. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. New York, listen.
After me some round the marathon, them gonna run it. Tell them go on down, them let them gonna burn it. How them fill up the competition when them know them no fair. Try to say Sonic sound you must take. Go and go run the place. How gonna run it? Tell them go on down, the place them gonna burn it. How them fill up the competition when them know them no fair. This is the Sonic
level. People, watch your time and I dance. Them say 15 minutes, short time. People, you know why them a cut down the time?
Listen, yeah.
You know why?
I know it's late.
Hey.
I know you regret. I know you planning. Don't include me. Still here we are. Stereosonic will kill you. Longing from shelters. All that we see. Why should we worry? No sun will kill now. Look.
Boy, them say one more song. So me I go play that rhythm here. That rhythm here is a rhythm from them time there. But me I go play a new artist for it, cause Stereosonic have new song too. Oh, you go.
Bad gallery, yo, hey man. Laughing and talking, bad man think bad man sound and
last song for you.
Yeah. Loud eagle with the broad eagle. What?
How you go?
Stereosonic. Walk down from boy with your gun.
What you do?
Shoot them and prove say you're bad. Stereosonic. You run the nation. Watch this. Yo, Stereosonic. Jungle Jesus boss, goddamn it. Squeeze up the trigger but you must not grab it. We go there play, that must block traffic. Yo, them sound they a rug rat rabbit. Yeah, matic charge like it fuck pandemic. Cool 45 with the clutch back on it. Paper to your skin.
Well be pointed. How you go New York? How you go?
Plus from it. Point it, fire, get fire, higher. The 45 it a wire. Fire.
Time. Culture Palace, we all know say for Stereosonic out of the team Biltmore. Alright. Big respect to all the patrons we forward out to support the thing. Remember, it's 2 eras under one roof. Team Biltmore, Team Maccabees in the musical glory, showing their respect to 2 iconic eras. Massive one of them knows that due to circumstance beyond our control and beyond cosmic control, seeing, you know, our laptop go on, a machine, seeing, and due to that something there, Kosmik will not be playing back for the rest of the night. Big up Kosmik Movements, we forward out at the Maccabees, and we respect them for their contribution and for forwarding out tonight and participating in this event. So, coming right up and a forward, right back out of the Maccabees, I forward to the item DJ Reds and the Yared Sound. 15 minutes. No!
Check. Well, you know what the second lap this, you know. I know Yared, a real Yared Sound, but here we go on now. You know, we are representing for the Maccabees. And we're going to take on the back again. What going over here, sir? Yo. Hold on there. I don't know what's going on with them controller here, you know.
Well, watching the sound of the century now, you already say now, we said that for man and we not change it back in the evening. Yo, WT Admiral, watching it done when it's a mistake, watching now. GQ Dog and the whole family will tell them, say, sing a melody they represent. Yeah, man, say you already watching now. Set them on, you know, because we not laugh for them, you know. You already that champion sound. How would them boy
New York, could you ready now?
Watching now. We never too
laptop up and running.
Yeah, we do it, tell them, sir. First thing early soundclash moan, Yared a pack them sound away. Oh, you now. Yared is looking.
Me going to go to music for the money tonight.
He's looking for a better day and nothing but a better day. You see that?
Love you like that. Oh, no.
You see, anytime you see Yared,
Get me the Yared Sound.
one thing they are telling us.
If you're trying to challenge a Yared, you get to be serious. Cause Yared is dangerous, yes, and not a joke.
Me don't want to play with the career, no. We work too hard for this.
So we steer.
Me can't tell them about some boy, some girl.
So I jump on friends. Not just none of them. So much about you and them article. Yared now passion.
And you know we are represent for Maccabees.
Hurry, we know we friend. Different from we any with them. We know we friend. Different from some sound boy. We know we friend.
Do when it got you, motherfucking niggas get slew, nothing new. None of mercy, motherfucking niggas get bullet if my.
Big up the Biltmore sound them.
I are the one we don't.
But me I gonna tell you something tonight.
We're not afraid of no boy, and we not fear no guy. Unbeatable, Yared, go tell them no try. If it is a movie, you kill the star guy. Say this and you said that no until you said the wrong thing. That way you said it hurt Yared gun feeling. The guns about in at this crawling morning. Murder them in front of
the red of the turbo. Listen. Well, all who know no band down, so that's in a Yared army. Say who no righteous apostles, channel feeling in go rally round the Yared Sound, rally round the champion sound, and roots of teen bands up.
All who read Yared represent.
Yared win.
Say what? Yared, what are you saying to me? Did you mean to tell me you kill some sound right now? You this the Yared we will show you now.
One thing when me I grow, my mother always tell myself you have respect for my elders them.
We have to.
So me can't play a song.
Hey yo, them get way. Admiral them get way.
Yo, New Year.
And we tell them when I was just a little teeny little boy.
But no feel like show me have respect for no. Uno can't violate me and get where.
We now beg no post so all nothing. Cause me done got me things up here. They can me drive with big set of rims. Fly out regular them wonder if me having to make some pussy say they can. Yared, now beg no post so all nothing. Cause we done.
When the money me love put on it now.
Me drive with big set.
When the money me love pussy.
Out regular.
Star represent.
Here we go. This thing again. This and the men put on the remix. Girls them have to jump when them hear the lyrics. Them have to jump around, turn and twist. Cause Yared a play it like this. How it go, it go. Give me the bend, put on them, make one and drive it out. So name Yared, them now go cool.
When the bad people them from New York can defend themselves.
But nothing no open for right now. Yared no Paris or fast or boy we love talk. Some boy now me no talk back. Go on like my talk, them talk fast. This all chalks individually. Start off, all these us to them chop party. Sing like that. Pop, put a power, no informer. No run.
When the man know say the boy can't violate you. The man know say you must say own a gun.
Glad Yared Sound. One time hold up on the chica in a pussy. You did empty. Look at the chica put in the next clip where you're 20. To them yam is expensive. Chat damage them intensely. Dead body feel left on the ground with the people dempsey. When you want to chica in a boy head go empty. Look at the chica put in the next clip where you're 20.
I'm telling some I represent for Maccabees, you know. So make we get serious in our juggling, you know.
Sound, the body sound. Even the Admiral will take those fucking clowns. So even when you stick him in a JQ, I'm to them. Gunshot in a boy chest, left a big hole where we can see it show. Hey, man, you ready?
Are you ready or no?
Yared now, fi send a girl fi come call you. In the middle of the road, shut up all you. Sound boy, tell them mother I go bomb you. Hey, man, Yared? Hey, Yared? Bust it, make gunshot run up in a them. Bust it, gunshot turn up in a them. Tell them, every organ slam up in a them. Yared now big.
Yared Sound. Tell me which pussy out for really give you chat. Dirty up them and speak up Glock and rally back. This Yared man I beg you no do that. Never used to do school but I quickly we adapt. Drive up, pull the gate to the street full place. March in with the dog but he never spot.
Kill son overseas too. No boy no.
Yeah, do ya?
Kill son then kill son instant. Evil that hit la. Them evil tourists.
Who send you tune?
Yo G.
Who gonna do?
Sass. Most wanted squash. Smoke a wine. Ball.
Pick up the Biltmore. Era. What a Maccabees time now.
Ask the building we bought from street vibes. Stairs that a girl there say she feel wet and she no mermaid. Black gum with kitten and no first aid. Yared, we are bought from Clark. Somebody hide the shirt them. Cologne no phone but call your girlfriend. And me jeans foot chop off no go dead. Yared. So we fuck up your weekend. A million and up your G-sped. We love your neatness.
Gunshot gun boy like weed and hope leaf fat grabber. Dollar kind some fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Try rookie vice truck back in your fat mother. Rifle we fire jack hammer. 17 built-in Glock hammer.
But don't tell us that any sword run up tonight.
Yo, watch this. Yo, Yared. Ask me for show me say that easy. That them a fool, and a clue to the flow. When me use them, me flow, give them flow. I'm fly, I'm a flow. Watch with them yai when me fly, when me flow. On a island we cool with a nice couple with a smile but so cute. Vibe on the pool and she tight and she smooth. Like how she ride when she ride on the tool. Yeah. Pussy them a try, them a prove. Treat them like the kids and me try go to school. 17 and the size of me shows.
Alright.
Enough son boy nah go like that show ya. Just show them no say a them with it back. Show them a hypocrite and backbiter. That's why Yared I tell them. Son boy go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Go suck your mama. Son boy go suck.
Remember me tell us about going to tune for the money.
Watch it. Yared gonna kill you in the dance tonight. Son boy you dead too.
This is Anthony Malfa alongside Flower God.
Yared gonna kill you in the dance tonight.
We are represent for Maccabees.
Jump on dead in tonight. On the dead in tonight. I go pop up on the board, gun strike. On the come big up on the chest, and I go like the knife. But none couldn't sustain the fight. That sound on the dead in tonight. Dead in tonight. Pop up on the board.
I wish artists are New York artists.
I go like the knife.
Yared, just make a love with nine. Me some of them get bad mind. Curse with a vessel, don't teach them a lesson. This Yared Sound and carbine. Well, Yared step up in a them vicinity. Everything they laugh, infinity.
When the man was on a boy, I know girl can't thump in your face.
Big 50 caliber go shoot down over them. Burn them now go with nothing good over them. Big 50 caliber go shoot down over them. Burn them now go. Yared say boy, money can't save you from your sin. Cannot tell Yared Sound say you're wrong something when man eyes.
I ain't no sizzle out Yared Sound, no.
No, you're mad when I'm round the throne. Them things they abomination to travel. No, you're mad when I'm round the chat. Me kill sound and put them in a body bag. Yared Sound, kill sound right away. Yared Sound we don't play. Kill sound right away.
Every guy in a CM play me. Shut a left the gun and every man a collect some. Anybody gonna get it, anybody run. Gyal a ball out, set the member say just my this son. Badness them a copy, Yared face down inna the ground. A GQ pon the men's a put gunshot in head. Them think them bad, them a kingdom, them give them crack fi bun. No juvenile can know which farm me lock me gun. Matter of fact me devil lock me gun, me got me gun. We full of bomb up like money long shot done.
Them a brother what you know, Yared ups around so down so dark. Them want war, them dead like dog, yeah.
New York.
So me go sauce, press trigger man, no press people board. I chat tough, thumb face man with some. Me say me have 22 in the something. Turn up for you so we figure the next dozen fool. We press trigger, we no press people board.
As I said earlier, they represent for Maccabees, no?
Him have 22 in the song.
Remember them song, yeah?
When Yared Sound chat, in the pussy when no like it. Grab up on the mama body and bite it. We shot pussy, we no cost no fight it. Go get a blood clot, will sound go sit down and write it. We hear how no bite it. Oh no fuck girl in a body and some pussy fi Nike. Talk it and night.
When the man a woman and also a boy and a girl can't bribe you.
Let's have the pull up on.
20 matica spark. Empty barrel attack. Send to your killer faster. Flick a car, the liquor spark, no envy. Bag a pussy picture when they no stop send me. Big up all the
big up all who know you have ambition.
I don't road me bring it.
Maccabees.
Big bumbo clad client in a Yared phone. And when he call another dial tone. Respect a million fast on the scheme in a iron shore. Chef and knock on the client door. We live in high fraud for we kill them no cap and post. Chico no way Japan close. A German cars the medallion a Ballon d'Or. Yared.
Goodbye, goodbye.
New Year, we're ready.
Some sound tonight, eh? Bye bye sound, bye bye.
We can play our next New York artist.
Killing me willing, yeah. And what they gonna take me advice, me brethren. Soundclash killing on a fun thing. Yeah, when the day I see a laugh and a grin at my serious when we are dealing a something. GQ ready figure on them skin, me brethren. Soundclash killing on a bed of rose. Yeah, when the day I see a laugh and a buzz.
Big up all who come and clash from long time. We can play a song for no.
Yared Sound, come back again now. We come to kill all that sound. When we check it out loud, no sound no like Yared Sound. Dreadlocks, when we check it out loud, Yared a beat them like that. Jesus Christ, yes Yared Sound and the big bad sound. Kill them in a country and we kill them in a town. You know say that sound them a idiot sound. Idiot them me say run out of town. Tell you this a sound that a behave like clown. Say Yared Sound and the number one sound.
See me I say, New York gangsta thing that me say. Listen, when Yared Sound catch up, pussy all and brought them up like snapper. Pull up all them split with all grapper. All them attack, fire bun a lick him back.
Play two more.
Like a forgiving me mama, bust blacker blacker. All them a try this fatter, ask them what's the blood clot matter them.
I know what New York artist is, right?
Black blood, mystic a valat attack, send them the copper. Real bad man, them not know about GQ. Yeah, left shot in your belly. New York, Brooklyn, locked tongue already. And Ajax, yes, Yared Sound, them a rep.
Anyway, JQ, Tommy, that.
New York!
This is what Yared is like. Know you love your pitney and you know you love your wife. I test that a girl is sitting tight. And that the bad mind selector them no from your mother home. Son boy good down in a tomb. Case them long like push through. Kill a son. Take bad man things for cartoon. Me have me gun in a classroom. Yared a step on boy like her.
We can big up some place from boy, yeah.
Your response pick, Flatbush, Crown Heights, Bed-Stuy, Brownsville, Jamaica Queens, White Plains, the whole of Bronx. We are top Bronx, hey. New York, how we blood clot place, This Chico, you get a kick in your feet.
Where's the what, boy?
Mass, see we give you space, Beer gonna rolling at the blood clot place, New York, how we blood clot place, This Chico, you get a kick in your face. Black hoodie, ski mask, see we give you space, Yeah, red are rolling at the blood clot place, Chico pass the clip with the Glock them. No, you're not gonna laugh when you walk up and clap them. You red them a step. Nobody can stop them.
You better tell them, say, hey you, take a good look. Them are the bad man, them just have up a cookbook. Yeah, no boy can't tell we how we odd look. A girl alone, you better tell them. Some sound a fish out the road, them can't chat away. Dog a kill some.
Yeah, you know we're not audio the thing, right? Yeah, MC.
Some time left still in the Reds car. I don't want to get kayak cross. But when I don't know, say that was the Yared Sound representing from the Maccabees era. And as I said, them sound launched to the world, all courtesy of the Maccabees tournament. As King Fargo stated earlier, Maccabees was a movement where bring some sound forward to the world. So I don't know the thing go 15-15. And the second check-in from the sound them. So quick and fast like when the ball of them a kick and pass. I now bring to the item the Earth Ruler sound. Team Biltmore 15-15. Press a sampler there. Genesis let me know say everything is everything. I could start it up. See that? One tree. See that? Set it proper, Genesis. That's at the earth ruler touchdown. See that? Earth ruler sound. Second 15, check in. It starts now.
Yo, hey, red face. From them Iowa, them I like how you coordinate the people and for do the right thing, not the left thing. Pick up yourself, yeah? Alright, you walk along now. In a real life, we have to give thanks for life. All who give thanks for life, put your hand out here. Remember, me tell you now, enough of our brethren them and our sisters them pass away in that area. Some family members, some artists, some selectors pass away. We have to give thanks. And we have to give thanks for Fargo with this idea with Maccabees Meets Biltmore. We like the concept. You know me I say, because the idea can have somewhere else, but you know decide for forward at a gathering. So big up to all of the man and woman we forward at that gathering, yeah. So we as musicians, we appreciate you as the patrons for coming out tonight for hear good songs. So this is how Earth Ruler show the appreciation for the item for your forward.
Forever. Give thanks unto the Lord God Almighty. Oh, give thanks unto the Lord God Almighty, for he is good, because his mercy endureth forever. So fret not thyself because of evildoers, for they shall soon be cut down like the grass, and wither as a green
all who
herb.
give thanks for life.
And they shall be cut down by Earth's ruler. Earth ruler, Earth ruler.
We appreciate you, the people.
Earth ruler's gonna give thanks in the mornings, give thanks in the evenings too. Here's what Earth ruler is gonna do.
Bury someone.
Right here now we're taking it easy. Check the steps, we're not in no hurry. You can never have the dubs that trip.
From your happy for life, that the life where you live, put two on here. Appreciate life. Appreciate life.
Rastafari, listen.
Where sir?
Blessed are ye when men shall revile you, and shall persecute you, and shall say all manner of evil against you, falsely for just sake. But I must be exceedingly glad and rejoice.
Garnet silk under their musical knowledge.
Yeah, for so persecute they the prophets before you and me. And I know Earth Ruler Sound is the number one.
What I know? Sound from. Alright. I am a musician. I'm not a Democrat or a Republican. But some of you will vote for the orange man. I don't know what happened there, so. Uno unruly. But let me tell you what going on right now.
Major, man, I'm about to kill quick. May the weeds and tell yes. Grow from here to yes. Earth ruler tell them have no fears. I miss a mama beg your wife.
New York!
I tell you now, start an easy road. I mean, see the glamour and the glitter, so they think I better rose. Who feels it knows? Ooh, Lord, help me so steady these blues.
Alright, let me tell you about that place here where me raised. Me never say ball.
Hey, make the old them say yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Earth ruler is a champion sound.
New York!
Yeah. I don't know nothing much about living in the hills. I don't know about working for the system. I don't know about life on Miami Beach. Make me tell you about the streets. Ask me about
yeah, every second. Kill quick, Lord God, my friends. Who is here?
You
here? Original killer
from them long time there. Baby, when we say
Flatbush bad man, them all go. 90s bad man, give me the gun, them let me free my soul. Put me in my face, it get 15 years old. Him talk too much, the whole 90s get out of control. Ruler tell them say, give it the
all the people and from where you come from, it no matter where you come from. From you know say yes so.
the gun them rise. Let me hear you now.
You get turned over. Sprang a belt by the case like a big race. Easy Delaware stand you large up. Easy. I want to tell the fool them say, watch this.
What is that?
I go. Car badness away we know because of Brooklyn we grown at you. We look easy and simple so you know say wickedness.
Kaya big up yourself.
Away we murder pussy wall we no live weakness because not every Sunday we go at church.
Alright. Big up Super Natch, Bailey Natch, Donovan. I want to start the Maccabees thing. Big up. And big up all the sound them from the Maccabee era. I rate you know, I respect you know. But you see the Biltmore sounds and before them, Blueprint.
Burden, earth ruler. From you see your carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. Well, earth ruler, you are
well on!
And a little jump on. Well, Mrs. Clear, don't get no revelation. One man was working.
We don't take check. All the people in from me now take disrespect. Let me see some gun on in the air.
Earth ruler for you know bad-minded. Well, you have to live those things constructive.
New York!
We now watch the guy business. Are we toddler? If a sound boy try to disrespect all earth ruler, live up with foot, make them step. Like how we carry them one distress. Bad mind and godful dump man suspect. Sound boy, you know fear. Earth ruler talk clear.
So how me loves my sound so much? Mikey Spectrum tell me if you play that song, yeah. You know why Mikey Spectrum tell me play that song?
Earth ruler pass the earth tide. All of foreign on the station. Come on!
Well, I care for no other sound.
Only the sound for me is earth ruler that good.
Stop. Crisscross. Me rate you. Turn down my sound. Alright, the master's too high. Turn it down, look a bit. I come in like, I don't know if a super flu catch it. But me I work with the program. You see me I say, cause we no cuss sound. Alright? So make us see walk along here, so cause we don't want to cuss it, you know. Cause sound is sound, you know. Alright then. Big up on yourself, my people. Once again, alright, play a song.
Sound boy, you're tired.
Hold on!
You're tired.
Hear them original. Bury someone, yeah?
Earth ruler killing a sound. And that's fun for we.
Remember!
Sound boy, you should go home. Go check your granny. Cause you don't know what to do. Or what you should play. But you gotta make up your mind.
Harry Trent, big up yourself. Fat boy, happy birthday.
Tin Pan sound boy, you know ready.
Song.
Go home and check your granny. She's waiting with a big stick for you.
We set the trend, boy.
Know how
we set the pace.
You can't afford to wait.
So it's only right we play a song like them, yeah.
Just mash you down.
Where you go?
We are double trouble and waiting like a teacher in the classroom. So if you tell
hey, Tilly Benge, from a long time we are tell them, say.
People in the house, gang. Watch this. Lift it up again. Run go tell your friend. Earth ruler killer some boy again. Lift it up again. Run go tell.
Respect. So all of the man and woman that will defend themselves. From you defend yourself, let me see your gun on in the air. Boss a blood club Blanca.
This is 9 more than them. Jonas Bracket, watch out. Me man, I saw we stay.
I saw it on.
Make we hear your shotgun in and move. I saw we stay.
From me respect. And you defend yourself. What I got?
So respect to all the gunman them. Gunman alone keep gunman friend. Fire burn, we are the informer them.
Oi, when you go on militant move, you have to watch where you're powering. You know why you have to watch where you're powering?
Who no pick and choose? Which gunman who know what care for move? Gun gravelation start to make your life load. Last time we bring gun drunk up and move. Boss over face all him chest bulletproof. Fill it up your roll that we
all remember Abel's Restaurant. Earth Ruler first big bad anniversary. Let me see you on in the air.
Why? Them say that them a gunman. Sign the ruler and a run, but them a no bad boy. boy, so tell them go and go sit down.
We say mega.
One take burnt if you find your mama dead. Family major, when we gon' echo, dead body pick up.
All who smoke marijuana, ganja. Let me see your hand in the air. From a ganja you smoke and I eat you promote.
God of His mercy. Oh Lord of His mercy.
Ganja man, ganja woman.
Oh God of His
Four corners of the earth.
And me the sorry about. I you fi make extra sir.
Hey.
Chalice is loud cause they're rain.
Hey.
Nothing they done from us to do.
Hey.
And on the earth you la crew. And me the sorry about.
I know if you go and build more them days there. When me say bad mind, I won't no smoke ganja. When me say left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Give me the sense in me.
Boy, a carbon copy bad boy, but the third ruler man them blueprint, guns out.
Marvel youth.
Say them a carbon copy sound boy. Third ruler a blueprint from ever since.
Tell them.
Carbon copy sound boy. Third ruler a blueprint. Watch ya, them one know we.
Boy, me not tell a lie. Maccabees, me expect to be some cartel, some predator. And some more of them artists in your era. But guess what? Ruler, shoot!
Maccabees, teacher cans and global ends. Earth ruler, look for the sound fool them. And tell them, so what? How we know when a sound fool no apology. Anything test, we are end up in a...
No, let go. Easy every time, la boom down the mic. All New York wicked man.
Guess what?
Get on the Brooklyn all over. Tell them about the killer say. He's like, no cut with shot, earth ruler burst. All in power, and them are dead. Oh yes,
guess what?
Bonjour
man, tell fans them. Where they wanna go?
Oh, what more? What them on the earth ruler do every dance? Where you keep on making that curfew? What more? What do them on the earth ruler do every dance? So we keep rocking road boy. Helicopter in your ear, right time to shine your go.
It's how we not indulge in other people era. Earth ruler stick to the program. That one a call.
We sing say, Earth roller, kill quick, on a mercy, you know we sing say, go on down a graveyard, you fraud. Gamble with your life, but you draw the wrong card. Go on down a graveyard, you fraud. This Earth roller, I make with a showy handgun and go drop with me long gun. Poopa get shot up and your mama get run down. How don't we shot
No, in a real life.
Me not kill quick.
Sorry, they feel.
When me pass to it like me
in a real life. Not the living truth, cause predominantly what me see is more men in the party. When y'all go home tonight, don't y'all want some pussy? All the man them want pum pum to one night. Why I don't hear no fucking selector play a song for the woman then? Ladies!
Link! Grind the girl them see me a baby. Watch this. Me hear you can grind good and you can fuck sweat. Stop up me meat. Stop up me meat.
What?
From I come and in a fire.
Where she there? Where she there?
Good. Position. Hold up your head and tap up your bottom.
Pull up.
And
now tell a lie. In my yard, me have a jungle gym. You see tonight, baby? Me and you tonight. You go up on that blood clot. Whoop, whoop. Culture Palace. We want to say for Earth Rule up at the 1515 check-in, representing the Biltmore era. Big up the youth like Lee Major. Got to this, you're no stranger. Scene. Massive, I want the guy them know said this is two eras under one roof. One of those eras was an era that was very instrumental to the soundclash culture going forward. So King Fargo Sound has an award here for Notch. Father Notch Maccabees forward and accept this award on behalf of King Fargo Sound. King Fargo would like to present this award. Fargo would like to present this award for the achievement and the success of the Maccabees tournament and the contribution to the world of soundclash. King Fargo awards this to Father Notch. Father Notch come accept this award. Mikey Spectrum in the house, another iconic instrumental piece to the Maccabees tournament, the movement. So Notch, say something to the people them as you accept this award from the King Fargo Sound. Mr. Spectrum, man say, are you have to come accept the award and say a thing?
Pleasant good night to each and everyone. You don't know the thing going on. Big up to everybody that supported Maccabees / Rotted from them time there till now. You understand? Yo, Natch, I'm telling you, we should start doing it again. Not true? We should start the Maccabee again. Right? Donovan, seeing people wanna think we start doing Maccabee again, don't? Yes, man. Yes, man. So on behalf of me, Natch, Donovan, Mrs. Natch, and Spec, we love you. We thank you very much for supporting Maccabees throughout the years and look forward to more events. You understand? Big up Fargo. You understand? Everything good, my brother. The next one, you don't know Spectrum, and they shut the thing, yeah? Lee Major, my boss. Big up Chris Cross. Everything good. Bless up. Red Face, enough respect.
Massive, that was the one and only Mikey Spectrum from the iconic, legendary Spectrum Disco forwarding from Brooklyn to the world. And them man, they kind of set the thing for the Maccabees tournament at a critical time where Soundclash was fading away. The man them said, no, we have a vision. Them bringing some young sound and them fight the war over Happiness Lounge and couple other venues. When one fight we out, we rally round and go another one, and you know them way there, and the man them help Soundclash forward and help put it on a good level. So big up Mr. Natch, award well deserved for you and the team, and you know say we are always here to highlight those that put the thing where it is. Seeing big up all sound owners and I players, Roger Sonic, seeing Kaya Yared, Father Puma, the LP crew and I players, seeing Lee Major, the entire Earth Ruler family, the Kosmik family, saying the whole I Sound them came out tonight and participated, played some songs out of their musical box as we commemorate two iconic eras that put Soundclash thing not just for us but for the world. Right? Right. So, in the interest of music, King Fargo time 15-15, and then LP with a 15, and then with whatever time leave, we go on, you understand? Fix up a thing where some rhythm for rhythm and some song for song and speech for speech and them thing, because Major with them space testings tonight, I mean, I lie, mad thing. So, the King Fargo Sound is next to forward as we start out the musical. You understand? Yeah. I them go and support the bar, seeing. Yeah, them want to get some food for no substance. The Taste Restaurant, all courtesy of King Fargo. You know, them can get something for go and put in your system before you go home in the morning. Oh, that cross. What you say, forward the next song? Oh, no wonder. No. Oh, sit there. Charger. I try to start it out right now. The man them said they want some tune for tune. Music for music. Yeah. One of them members say February 21st, King Fargo versus Black Champion. I want to them remember that one there. Do you remember Defend Your Turf? The Tri-State Cup Clash Edition. Saturday, January 24th, right inside 1330 Utica Avenue. On the item, check it out. See, advance tickets are only $30 right now. Defend Your Turf. Check it out. So right now, King Fargo Sound, the king himself. Oh, Father Dale, the King Fargo Sound. Yeah.
Big up yourself, right face. Big up to everybody where they in our building. Seeing, you know, Maccabees meet Biltmore. All alone when I see no hard talker go on in our blood clot, man, you know. Be talking. Sound forward, say them boss have money. Laptop fuck up. Big up to every man in when you see a straight to your dead blood clot straight. The man that knows see a straight gun on in our ear right now. When we play that song, any man can put up the man I got dead.
Brooklyn massive, see the Bronx, Staten Island, Jersey, and I wanna come from, see the Long Island, see the keep strong. Original King Fargo, the original Big Son.
Let me start my round now here. 15 minutes.
See the Big Son, Mr. Fargo. Whoa!
Any man keep them under them side, I got blood clot dead. All who's straight gun on in here.
In this is Santo man road, trouble King Fargo, you won't see to man road.
Mr. Lee Major come up here and talk about any bird pitch. I gonna get kicked. Lee Major, man, me tell you. I tell you.
Sound a go dead and on the world we a tell. King Fargo have the gun, name said boy ya hell. King Fargo them this standing a minute them fell.
All who want see a auto clean I morning, gun on in I blood clot here. Me not in I boring thing in I morning.
Waterhouse, New York like a slaughterhouse. None of mercy. Massacre the genia. Wanna go down in the arena. Boy, they make we get meaner. Shouldn't take me name to go.
The way I see how the man them forward and talk. I see a sound forward and talk about him boss of money and him forward with him laptop fuck up. And next man forward and chat about things and not shoot off and nobody. You see how me feeling I'm on in here? Oh, me black clot feel!
New York we slaughterhouse. Me say the boy them a temporary, and me gun them plenty. Well, we gon' make him out and them no empty. War them up present.
All who want say after clean I morning, me say gun on in here.
Come and try confront we, them must see junkie.
Papa clot now.
Have a special you know.
Ready for them cross.
London, Canada, worldwide be too dark. Well, too dark.
In I morning now.
This war temporary, load the guns a momentarily bumbo. All I go bury, and if it's necessary. War from January.
Levers. Lee Major. Me see you forward and play one ganja man song. And say you smoke marijuana. All of the man that know say you not smoke no marijuana. Gun on in a bumbo clot here. All who know say you strictly ganja you smoke, you see that one here.
Hey, I tell them early when soundclash morning, oh yeah. King Fargo was in the dance hall, and there was no sound.
Me say all who want see a heart to clean and blood clot man in a gun on in a ear. Gun on in a ear.
Early in the morning. King Fargo kill sound boy.
All who not smoke no marijuana. Me not smoke no blood clot marijuana.
If they only knew the niceness that the sense in your brain, sound boys would never light a coke pipe again.
If you never know marijuana is a brother we play for earth ruler.
That the sense.
All who know say a strictly ganja you smoke. Gun on in a ear. Gun on.
Somebody run back all the weed, man. Cause we want a fuck.
I wish pussy come up here and talk tough.
Somebody run back.
Who come up here and talk blood clot tough?
Fool. War lip, the younger thing you do is speak war lip. You can't tell me say you freak or war lip. This a no hide and seek war. King Fargo a kill you for your whole week war lip.
Levers. Where's the stunner? Where's the remember so we are war frying in our Bronx 45 shootout days, you know. And we there for one blood clot stage, so we know. I have to clean my morning, you know. Anything, you know, dog.
No boogadoo. Skeptical. Where's my motherfucking guns? Boy, see me gonna glide and collide. 42 piece of wave sound justified. See King Fargo, boy, you them you must have fight. Cause
but what a vibe, dog.
Me gonna walk though. Well, this a gonna no whisper. But they have a clap and then you end up on me spa. Shut your auntie bread.
Me tell you now, hard talk me feel for doing my morning now. Hard talk, girl.
With the sweet sweeper, gently comment and begin on your skin deeper. Have a new partner with them call life eater. This King Fargo live your life in a cage. Ranger, total stranger. See me sound a glide and come and come collide. 42 piece of wave sound justified. See King Fargo, boy again.
Well, see, ready again. I want to shoot up a place, man. Shoot up a place now.
Shoot up a black club place now, man. A man in no dark.
Wow, 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 yeah. The champion.
Go the people them there, I want a blood clot vibes.
Sitting in the morning sun. Yeah. Sitting until evening comes, Lord.
Alright then.
Watching some boys going down.
I'm telling you, in a Sunday morning, when they have a blood clot vibes, Brooklyn.
I don't know just how long this meeting's gonna last. All I know, it feels like forever.
Wow.
Slowly a fool who is blind is so nice, pretending not to see.
Remember King Fargo this when them this
sound boy of your pain in your heart, of your sorrow in your soul. You're gonna be running up and down. You need a saving or be living. It brings joy.
Remember me never there when Maccabees are gone. So me now forward and talk about Maccabees or Biltmore. Me they are represent my son.
I hope tomorrow will bring better you, better me. When real show me sound, Fargo got more stuff to play. Don't you ever
you know the reason why I'm forward and call some son name?
Kill him.
You want to know why?
Come back home. What a la la.
Me can't tell no why me call some son name as soon as me forward up here. Me tell no why. New York, we gonna ask who you. We gonna take interview. You this a shoeless and we show. Everybody we must own a gun on in our blood clot here.
DJ Flint worship.
Gun on in our hair.
New York a slaughterhouse. We finger not safety, you no fear. Shot the reserve.
The pussy them go like them bother me. Them go like them blood clot bother me. Tell them.
You see what damn time Fargo I want them. Them a wanna them no understand. Hey, any jump and test Fargo.
You see when I see that youth that turn up round the sun, yeah?
Alright then, none of them no bad like Fargo. No.
All who rate King Fargo sound, gun on in our ear. All who rate King Fargo, gun on.
Fargo, so say we name a little louder. Fargo ready to rip up a crowd. Jump and test and them we get reader.
If them violate,
silent neither. We are bossy gonna boy.
When me tell them me a boss, my blood clot gun, me never left yet. Me always have it for me. Tell them.
We play. Tell them. One time we have a gun pound with. Anytime we take it out, we are boss it in a oscillate and jump and move. Have a gun pound with. Anytime we take it out, we are boss it in a jump and select and move. And that take a come pick up jump and cause them dead.
Make me all the vibes a Sunday morning.
One time we had
all the blood clot vibes now, man.
Ling-a-ling-a-ling, go play a fling. Anything test and Fargo kill him. Ling-a-ling-a-ling, straight murdering.
More and get some trouble.
Fargo kill him. Can't that jump and skin. If a competition know you know Fargo have a win. So them are done to the base we have the key. I will not show no jump and no mercy. Them are done to the base we have the key. Have a kill jump and it is here's the way. Oh the 10 years are you say kill away. And if I don't play Fargo for them play the day. Him not play it, him a go play 20 until the 28th century. Jump them dead. Them dead. Test Fargo I will kill them dead. Fargo kill them dead. Mother call the doctor and the doctor said he said better no call it funeral parlor instead. Jump and test Fargo same place them dead. If I don't plate it a bust boy head. Boys color crack me said just like egg. Same place them test.
Levers. Remember you know Biltmore sound them all. That sound you start year 2000. You see the sound them way you play alongside. Mama tell about them.
What the sound thinking? Test Fargo they will sinking. Gunshot.
I'm in a clash with the sound, and they are twice our age. They're not good anymore, but used to okay back in the day. As I go my way, I don't care.
See Lee Major forward in second round and talk about him smoke marijuana and flop. You see that?
Some jump on them and I go chubby. I go chubby. Them a go get gunshot.
Yes, if you all are next year. Yes, if you all are next year. Mama telling us something.
Go dub plate every day. There's not a dub plate that Fargo can't play. Dub plate every day. Every Shabbat dub plate, Fargo can't play. We have a whole world of jump and we want to kill off. Anything test with Fargo.
Me feel like more call some name.
And we want to kill off. Anything test we know we write them off. Just tell Mataran him show no run off. Harry go get him head back shut off. Just tell Link say go off, go choke off. Cause same place him test, same place him last. Stone love test, stone love last. Cause tell them stone love no in a pay with class. A sound test we how we know say them soft.
Shabba talk to them.
Know what they pass. Just tell a jump and the one go mass. We come first and then come last. Them see them father baby father.
Never represent my sound boy at all.
Mercy, we know them want it. Fargo a plant it. How we a kill boy the wickedest want it. Because them want it. Fargo a plant it. I give it to them. I give it to them. I give it to them.
All out there when they was saying I beg no blood clot friend, push a right hand in our ear. All who know you keep your circle small, right hand in our ear, no!
Tell them say me don't know the pussy them no like we. See them all a hip hop but that still not spite me. King Fargo cut and go choke, all love in our heart. And none of them can stop me. Fargo we don't know the pussy them no like me. So me I go stand up in them face with all me like.
Yeah, some boy love walk and chat man like how girl sit down and chat man, you see them?
But tell them boy say me carry me gun, come me no carry news. Carry me gun, come me no carry news. Pussy, carry me gun, come me no after your this. There was carry news. We not chase, we just shoot up in blood clot place.
Them know so we feel boy finally in avenue is me I say anyway, man. So we stay. Alright, boy. I say the more them fight we and the stronger we get. And the stronger we get, and the lead we are take them can't test. We don't tell them King Fargo Sound not the best. Whoa. I say the more them fight we and the stronger we get. What we possess.
All who know say them can't violate you and get we're going on in our bumper class here.
No, King Fargo them hurt the heart and them can't hurt the soul. Just in the Almighty more and more. King Fargo no under no devil control. God has we guide, I play like roll. Hurt the heart and them can't.
This a one sound them can't violate and get well. Not near no blood clot time.
Every morning, every night. So me tell them one thing I can do, one thing I can say. King Fargo lead the way. And the champion sound me love here when it play.
One more.
In a night all day, boom. One thing I can do.
Me know somebody a go call me name in the morning. That's why me know I'm a blood clot. Do you know why?
What up with these fucking fools? King Fargo, well, oh please. King Fargo war it never cease. Oh please, gunshots sting them like bees. Oh,
all who know ain't afraid of people. Every gun on the eye.
We talk on this your bed. Try to jump in and we chase from this up.
Hit that. You know I got red face.
Right pan the dot. Want to say for King Fargo Sound, representing the Maccabees inside the thing called Two Errors Under One Roof. And I don't know, say quick and fast, like when the ball of them a kick and pass. Me now wall up the thing. LP Sound, second 15-15. You like stunner, what did I say, star?
LP tunes like these, man.
Alright. If Maccabees Sound, them a play like Biltmore right now. I wonder if people play like me they are Maccabees. I don't know, right? And then me hear Dale say, I know somebody I got call my name tonight. Like 5 more selector left to play. Just say, Stone, I got call your name, dog. Remember, you know, when you have step to big sound, you have to step to big sound, bumbuckler serious. You can't step to big sound like a joke thing, dog. So, see, that is not even a blood clot. Come fix this up. Try this. Try it.
Laugh up at them, LP. Laugh up at them. Shut the pussy hole them. Welcome to LP. Let my fall.
When you step to big sound, make sure you're serious now.
LP crew come to kill something tonight. Hold on.
When you step to big sound, make sure you're bumbuckler serious. Why?
Yared Sound gotta get.
The bumbuckler don't man. I think a baby stone boy.
Some boy you're dead.
I used to play a Biltmore. Oh boy!
Retreat, wicked men of Babylon.
Me a play some I know want hear, and some of what me plan for Bumbo Clad play. But you see that song here, you don't want to hear it.
Oh, LP out to kill something.
I want the blood clot big gun with a fire. Remember this. But now killing off in a bag of blood clot anthem. Me not come here to play the whole LP anthem them tonight. Me come to play a sound song but I don't know here a long time. You remember that one here?
Tracks of life. Yeah.
All who glad for your LP sound a Bumbo Clad play. See ya. Go.
Here LP comes again. Killing all things and sound.
I don't know.
LP comes again. Running them out.
Dear, me tell you something, dear.
A time to wine, yes. A time to die. A time to kill, yeah. Feeling all the
Hard tackle. Hard Bumbo Clad tackle. Me not play soccer, me not play football. Me a bad blood clad man. But me tell you this. As a matter of fact, all who read Father Puma put 2 on in a year, see. Yo, turn up. Yo. Okay. I chew a Fargo Sound me at this enter down for Mike Pavin. I chew. All who read Father Puma again, bust a blank in a year, me. Remember the man who set the Bumbo Clad sound from Biltmore. From Biltmore blood clot days, you set that sound.
You know, so let's say I saw and joke thing, cause you know.
Father Puma sang a year one.
LP a sing, respect the father Abraham. He's a man of many sons and LP we are one. Not to mention all the great Bojo Bantan. From your respect, big then the love in this strong. Respect the father Abraham. He's a man of many sons and LP we are one. Not to mention all the great Bojo Bantan.
All of the LP fans them now.
Well to be a true Rasta man, well like you and be a
what me fi do? Call some name or just blood clot play a song? What want me do? All who say me fi call name, say call name. Hey, me see one scorpion from Earth who la chat a bag of blood clot things for the life then. Anyway, I no see Bumbo Clad scorpion, tell him say if him want the war, put him money where more blood clot there. As a matter of fact, Father Puma.
And it's come a musical thing, cause everything is hot, you know.
As a matter of fact, Father Puma, me tell you.
Father Jungle.
Ryan with the iron, Taliban.
Oh,
fire!
Road boy pass the gun them.
Biltmore Bumbo Clad tune.
Wicked LP in the dance and you say things are for right. Now what is the LP? Anytime you come out, this murderation and boy, I know that I understand the cockatoo, express your views. Read the daily news.
Yes, man. Fuck up on the sound.
It's a walking style.
Lordy, lordy.
Biltmore Bumbo Clad tune. Biltmore tune.
Will it be some we try fit test LP, them fail. Kabuju lock them in a jail and them can't get bail.
Then if you mix it now.
Remember Cocotti Bumbo Clad sound this you know. Remember Butcher blood clot sound to you know.
Cocotti the 10 town boy and them can't.
Hey, you see next year?
Why?
Cause LP take over the sound boy business in America. LP take over the
in case you never know, remember this.
Why? Yeah, well, your LP, you're gonna need that. LP's international.
Deal, you call up Badman blood clot sound name. I will send you back to Jamaica, boy. Remember?
Things change, no one knows it's alive hard. Who never used to say no money come my yard. Who rent you, who spend the whole night abroad. Squander no money, LP, single. Why get the foot come down in a...
All who can defend yourself, gun on in a ear. Remember, 1 year I had me playing a blood clot son. You know me I do?
Boss it.
You know me I do?
What we say? I love all of the gun them up. Keep them shine and crisp.
What me I do?
Pop a shot, who the carry in on a gun. Make a boy turn purple them him get it. Lord, show to killer, we don't New York. Hey yo, one time promo. Hey yo, 90s.
How we play a new song them doing us? You know one.
No gun, bridge shot, LP, a burst, all in farmer.
All who love how the vibes are going, cause vibes are beyond that people in foot right. All who want to hear some Biltmore tune, put 2 on in a ear one more time.
Killing sound boy, thank you.
Why? 4 seasons. Four season sound. LP is the 4 season sound. Hey, sound boy, no, you should never test LP sound. I said no, you should never test the champion. No, you should never test LP sound. No, you should never test the champ.
All of the man who can swear upon God Bible say your name never call upon but yet 1 on in a ear. If you can swear upon God Bible your name never call upon bottom.
Tell a boy say we turn straight. We no fuck man, and we not support no damn lesbian. Well done, gunshot for everybody man. LP sound no mix up in a sada. Boy, some wrong thing. Me see a one pandilan.
Come back again.
When we are talking about Anthem and Biltmore days, you see the artists here.
When we say, I told them can beat with, that's why them have to friend with. If them have a rope a long time, them have to hang with. LP not stop from preaching.
Remember them songs,
yeah? Me. When we say, still I see your name, will always
Hey, LP have a body's bumbuckler song them in a world. All who believe me, 2 in a year. And all who don't believe me, they are going to prove it to them. You see the blood clot artists here from Biltmore.
And come again.
And I know all heap of blood clot sound can play like this.
The LP it no pity pepper and it no pound and no way. We no lotion up and
Papa son.
If I know what I'm about, no bother mention. Kill them with no selection. LP it no pity pepper and it no we no lotion up and if I know what I'm about, no bother mention.
Trouble in my blood clot.
I say, hush up, shut up.
Blood clot, hear the people them. Buckler. Slow. Turn it down. King Fargo. In a real life, I'm a little bit disappointed. Cause you know, next time put Maccabee versus Biltmore. No matter with the meets. All who agree with me say Maccabee versus Biltmore 2 in a year. Cause me have to just play a song like this. Cause you see in a real life, me didn't want to shoot somebody, but you see tonight.
Hold on, give a damn. LP, with a smile on my face.
You see tonight.
I tell them, didn't have to bust that gun today. I didn't have to kill no one today. And so I can almost safely say that today was day. I didn't have to rinse that Glock today. I could have keep my alarm locked away. And so a clown get over.
Hey, me can't tell him Maccabees on them, see no?
Be with him family. But if I die this LP tomorrow, it's gonna be. I'm gonna sing my.
So one song I will Puma write. Puma, you write it.
Well then, it's a little song I wrote. Come on, let me help me sing it note to note. Don't worry.
Boom, all the song go where you write.
Be happy.
Where we got?
Watch out. I've stood down and planned and me dig my foundation. Some boys won't dig up for excavation. We have to sit down and rock about. And have to wonder what some jump and thinking about. Well, go ahead and make your own.
The next week I walk one next week.
Can this bad man?
We don't get to this week.
Musical.
We don't get to it. You know why?
We sing, say, Christmas come but only once a year. But this year only better.
Fight another year.
Pull up your shots and steer your career.
LP, one LP, never cheat.
Christmas come back only once a year. So
all, hey, where the ladies them are there? Ladies them, I only me I talk to. Where ladies them there? All of the girls them I know say you prefer your man be a gallist than a batty boy. Put one of them in the ear, let me see. The woman them are there and in the ear, right? All of the man them I know you fuck at least 3 girls from the year start. If you never fuck 3 girls from the year start, you forgot doctor go check up yourself.
Hey, you see we don't care.
Hey, you see we are girlies.
LP, hey, why you get a girl we have to big up and trust? Why you get a girl man have to love up and trust? Get a girl big up on the stomach cause Mr. Starfish love on so much again.
As a matter of fact, let me play to my song them with the old voice them. Remember, we not play no song with none of new voice, them in a be old voice, right? Watch out.
No mercy.
LP, some guy must be Mount Massey Peter Plunder.
Watch out.
Should never dial Stereofish number.
No mercy. Now I block to London get from all over. No mercy.
All of the LP fans and the people that go build more long time.
Run the track.
And remember this?
Lord God, to Texas. The sound guy crash. Them never stop.
No mercy.
Yes.
Don't make them stop.
This is LP. We gonna kill.
Who am I here for do tonight?
We come to kill soundbar.
No, I'm not do that.
So we not come to waste no time. So when they dial LP number, they get a dub every time.
See them?
Come to kill soundbar. So we not come to waste no time.
Oh, your girl is saying have a phone for call your girl.
They get a dub
in a real life.
LP, show me see you on your cellular phone. I can't drop.
Hey, you see that song you may go play? The Ungo Blood Clot song. I want to go under the microphone now. Hey, you see that song you may go play? The Ungo song that is not a Biltmore song that qualifies for play tonight. Can you see that song, yeah? It a talk about blood clot. History.
The big bad LP International. Man, I pull up. I'm feeling set.
Remember me, I tell you that song you talk about history.
King of New York, LP Bill 1982. The sound was a killer from the day them born. When I talk about Brooklyn, that a LP land. Killing round the world, that a way dedication. We kill BS and they say in our 93. Rule at them dead, rule at them dead. Rule at them dead. 1993, 94 Biltmore where we kill King Addies. 95 4x4 get right off clean. So Supreme 96 get destruction. See I'm here LP destroy love injection. Them cry like baby and go back to England. And the same thing race the whole body can.
Tell them.
No touch it, do not touch it, Dana. Puma Emma did that.
All who read the place them and Biltmore What one? Biltmore Maccabees.
Watch this. Big up Biltmore and Starlight man. And the whole of the Flamingo bad man. Till then Tree Bell and Golden Pavilion.
Jesus Christ. Let me say me at what? 1 more? 3, 1 minute. Alright, 2 songs.
Hold on, Some boy, you're dead.
2 songs.
I will study. I get paid for them, nothing buddy. Kick it to him. Check this please.
I know that I ain't dreaming. Sound is dying. He hopes and pray cause he don't wanna have to die this way. Thinking about tomorrow, yesterday's joys and sorrow. Trying
I want to remember that song.
the pains that they built inside. I know I saw
anything that you can chat about.
I want to remember the blood clot song from Biltmore.
Sure.
Remember?
Well then, hey, see it, I know them have LP name a call. To them the picture, the pussy left on the wall. New gun. Anyway,
no one are doing it.
That's why we say, boy, they get murder, spoil and out for her one bad.
Me still have more? Tell me, you know. Me can't play one more song. Alright, me get one more song. One more song. One then think never set me up. Right, I'm a blood clot here, my God.
We look on them and tell them say LP say the Sims say that oh.
Them say me have to play that one song here. It's a Biltmore song.
Yeah, them smell them crotches through them blouse.
Bro.
What them do? Smell them bottom, think of party, or them smell them arm and think of roast. LP run all passage. Run them track 24/7, don't stop like the original. You been mat locked up and track.
Wickedness and grace.
Chimba down, boom, madam. Okay, I say this, I say that oh.
Papa son, Lieutenant Stitchy.
LP a champion, so now we no pet boy.
LP a champion sound and we are not on.
That them say.
We tell them when we say LP a champion, the champion in the dance hall. A town boy will them a fall.
How DJ the fastest? Tell me.
LP it a the champion.
Speak the ding dang ding.
How we must kill a champion.
Speak the ding dang ding dang.
And if a sound boy test away.
Speak the ding dang ding.
Him a fayin up in a cemetery.
All right, ready. Busy. Behave yourself, bro. Remember in an only part time. So you don't know enough. Biltmore Maccabees. Next year, make sure of verses, alright?
So here what we are saying now. Saying LP Sound still the year, Yared still the year, King Fargo still the year. I will have more time for the people. So we're gonna just deal with some 111 tune, and then we'll just enjoy the musical entertainment till the morning. So Yared Sound, you kick it off, and then another thing. All right. So touch a sampler, but we know say everything. Yeah. See there? Yared Sound in the 1-for-19 morning. DJ Reds.
Yeah. Big up all over there. And they are to say, boy, dead. Because me hear someone a call name. You see me I say? But when them say them a call name, them not call no sound name. Them a move like them a sissy. But here what go on here now. If you notice, King Fargo, about 5 men a play the sound. And when them a play the sound, them still not make one. All who want to see me kill sound that morning here.
Oh no, big cheese man.
Who the want to see boy dead in the morning here?
I think I can see that sound boys here. Yared is when sound against the world. Oh no.
Here what go on now, people. Cause if me never do what me do, you know, everybody would and does forward and play like a some rum bar with it. Father Puma, big up yourself. But me and you to have history. We clash in a Bronx, 45. And we deal with it like a real war. Stunner, me hear a forward and big up Biltmore. When Biltmore are gone, you no blood clot born yet. Left that to Father Puma. It's like how you forward and talk about this bag of Biltmore. It's a simple song me I use and kill your speech. Kill that. Listen! Listen to blood clot song ya. Stunner the one you have here. Listen!
Leave out the Biltmore and start cut some new songs. Dubs that you were playing is coming out all wrong. Leave out the Babylon and I come back to Zion. Why you want to be?
Quick and fast, simple song.
All right. So Yared check in with him one song. Fargo follow up with him one song. So LP. Yeah, go on. All right, start it out. Start it out. Oh, if I shoot out, you get shot. Oh, people, I want to hear them members say, happens to be New Year's Eve scene. I want to hear them check it out right inside the Culture Palace, the New Year's Eve party, Wednesday, December 31st. See, I want to hear them check it out right on, you see? Yeah. So, Stunner, in I 1-for-1, what you say? Go and read. Member say, defend your turf, January 24th, right inside 1330 Utica Avenue. Go and check it out. The war is on January 24th. LP!
Yo, deal, in a real life. Yeah, I'm a friend. I'm old enough to kill up on the battlefield. I don't want to do it. I remember when you war at Bronx. I mean, win all of them, you know, you know, win none yet. I remember it's levels to this. That's King Fargo and this is Blood Clot LP. In other words,
this is Bitty McLean alongside LP International Sound. Man like Puma. Killer D. What am I say? LP is the real sound.
If you know them song, you can't warm me down.
LP is the real sound.
If you know them kind of caliber song in your box, you can't warm me.
LP sound. I see.
Well, we did one song. Now we want two songs. So you're right with the check-in.
People don't know so what go on. Fargo won't get a stripe off of LP. Brother, you know reach them levels there. Listen! All who want to see me kick out them blood clot teeth in the morning.
96 gunshot to a someone head. Yeah.
Yared, yes, in another dance.
Look how me I got up with them in the morning.
96 gunshot to a sound boy.
How the blood clot are going? This brother, we can't see say no forward from boy, you know. 96 degree, where you get that from? About 28 degree out of blood clot door. Where you not go to the door and catch pneumonia? You talk about 96. Stunner, where you run go? All who there when no says Sluggy Ranks a bad artist with Big Tim McLean must a load blank over your head. All who read Sluggy gone on in the ear.
Big ol' lava ball in a them dance hall. Yo, King Fargo just rules overall. Kick it in speak, I'ma just smoke some weed. Yo, Sluggy Ranks. Simple man, I say put the fire upon them now.
Simple, original Rasta youth. Flow love through the universe. See the Fargo.
Brooklyn, New York.
Chant of a praise. Tell them forward back Fargo.
Hello, reaction. Kick on.
Fargo.
King Fargo made it. Look how far we come to make it. Been through a lot of soundclash, but we keep the faith and make it. Feel like in try. Every trick in the book that's bad, but yet they can't hold us down.
What the people that from Brooklyn now?
Forever.
90s, 50s, 40s, Broadville.
So I tried the youths them run too.
Is Jaja. It's like taking candy from a little child. I swear to God. People, him say me not come from Boya. That's true. I live all the way in Alabama. First of all, I'm not even a MC. I'm a mixer. Look how a mixer gonna kill him in the blood clot man in here.
A Papa Yared kill a sound tonight. Yeah, you don't know Johnny has been the dancehall Godfather. And you don't know the Yared Sound with the Yared Pro. Big up man like Genius, Glory, Rhino, and GQ. Mr. Husband, the dancehall Godfather, say so. A Papa Yared are the winner tonight.
Look how me gonna put them in the grave, you know.
A Papa Yared kill a sound tonight. Right. A Papa Yared is killing your jump and sound. The whole New York is
Yo!
Man from 90s, Flatbush, Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, Bronx.
How them pussy?
To see Papa Yared kill a idiot sound.
Brooklyn. You know your boy sound like some child molester. But you want to take candy from baby. All of the people that know say not take no candy from no baby. Boss a blank in our ear. Them boy a child molester, I'ma tell him.
There is a message in what Fargo.
Reds when I see the bumbo cloud sound, you know.
I know a sound boy, he's a jump and sound. A jump and sound is he.
God go with you. God go with you. Right here, so, brother. It's a girl you see a look on. You see me? Real girls. All who want to see me kill them boy in the morning now. New York, listen.
DB sound can't check your red. Remember that. Number one sound with Admiral, Mystic, Easy Dog. You're better than all of them. Alternately say, kill a tin pan.
That little speech here, now make it clear tonight.
Yes.
Mr. Alima, try.
Look here. Sound boy, how I hate you. Don't ask me why. You tried to test me, and now you're going to die.
Alright.
Cause there's no other side.
Look what the two clown them in the circus.
Like Yared Sound. There's no other sound. Oh, how they suffer.
Reds, I feel like Chico never tell about Brooklyn, New York. When you forward and I play tune for tune in a Brooklyn, if you not play a song like them, I pack up and go through a door.
Time, know that. Sound dead ya now. Dead ya now.
Sound.
What we are do to Yared? Culture
Try to test the king, you don't win. It's a sin. She made me that dance all style, yeah. For all the King Fargo fans, hey.
What? What one? Can't find a song. What one?
You know a computer go already, brother. The computer does pick up, say. Oh. Yeah, but is it the card? You go on. Jaja. Can't wait. Hold on the people. Maybe gonna 2 minutes. Yeah. It's gonna restart less than that. You know, computer guy already, man. What you say? You can't play one song. Me I go now one song. Take a forward.
People, me tell about the sound them love blood clot hype. Them not have no good laptop. Them not spend no money on no laptop. Them get some song and get one old laptop and load you up and come a road and talk about them bad. Or if you bad you gonna blood clot stick. Let me tell you this.
The song from the dancer, Godfather said that. The one here is a classic.
Oh, your
King Fargo Sound Station.
Oh, your mother, you're gonna blood stick.
Whoa, my sound. King Fargo champion sound. Just let the truth manifest itself. God sound was made out of glass.
Is he ready?
Brother, you get an extra song and you still not do nothing. All who wants me kill them to pussy ya. Bust a blank. Yo.
Red culture, the house, what a war.
New York.
You see them a come, you're ready to conquer. You see them.
People, when you see what going a while ago, right? If say my fire ain't gun and ain't gun blood clot stick and him a ball, we not have no mercy upon them a blood clot. Tell him.
Yeah.
All of who say you're red for dead. Every gun on in the ear.
I can't Fargo, you know. Guidance to man.
The boy gun stick in a war. And him a talk about fi give him 2 minutes. Give you 2 minutes, my blood clot.
Fargo now no mercy on the sound boy.
Yo. Yes, is it stinger? Yo. You see that thing I will call soundclash? I love it. Because guess what you know? Brother, you talk about laptop. Don't do that. All who wants me kill him, because he might make all them shot from night, you know. And I go on like saying bad. Now go show you say that boy you want to look at 2 of them.
Yared, the champion.
Kosmik, one thing me I tell you tonight.
Son boy, don't put your hat where you can't reach it. It doesn't make no sense.
Me no wear hat. Me not even wear a sit where they call hoodie. We left them something left for you. You know what say better than this send Chico? Me don't know how them find this a pussy hole here play Yared Sound, you know, but me want tell him. Culture Palace!
King Fargo Sound just forward. on the murder scene. Fargo Sound just forward.
All of who say better than Chico there tonight, but a load blank in our ear.
Kill off every sound boy clean. But when it comes to the final,
how would them find that one from? Where them blood clot find him from?
War chef shout out, you dead. Well, we just make a duppy from a sound boy. But
brother, Chico the on tour. Them on a tour with them family. Big up Chico, a tour the world. But me I can show you, say. Remember me tell you, know, I'm the mixer for the sound. Me I can show you, say that look a pussy I want sell out. Him say, him now wear hat. Our mixer wear.
When you take the lead, make sure you can maintain it. Well, guys, don't be no early front run.
Yo, Kosmik!
Well, veteran. Sprinter stay a long distance killer. Why nobody try this?
It look like a track and feeling forward. I talk about him a long distance sprinter. You know easy. When you buck up in a blood clot King Fargo Sound, you have to bad. You have to know if you defend your blood clot self, cause that's sound, yeah?
This is Ken Booth. Straight to them man, you know.
King Fargo, gonna dust you out tonight. King Fargo,
that's on, yeah.
When King Fargo kill your sound, we will kill you forever, and we never ever.
All right. Enough of the old thing them. I can use a new song and bust out your blood clotted. What you are going, you know?
Time I represent for Yared Sound. I hear me Chico, Reds, big up the whole of Brooklyn and the whole of Whitehall. You know we're not good at talking because the rifle them quite tall. Rascal Zombie. Yo, Yared Sound, tell them this. Glock on your waist, old stars, bone skin like toaster. Keep it close now, closer. Them boy they no bad like Yared. I will, coaster. Most wanted from poster. Chico turn you in a coaster. Hard vegetable.
You know I love our unity. Yeah, you know, the whole of we are brother. And you know we are do this for the culture. See me I say, yeah man, one love, respect. Big up all who check in, you know. Yeah, and support the thing. Father Fargo, big up yourself, you know, every time. See me I say, big up the whole of our son who will pass through and come do them thing. And you know, and next time around, you can look out for other.
Wagwan ENT.